One. Let's go. All right.
Oh, Canada.
Our home and native land. Are we gonna sing the whole song?
No, only the first.
Not the whole
One
anthem.
day, one
It's
day.
been so long since I've done it. I used to do it in high school all the time.
Yeah.
All right. Well, welcome to the all Canadian, also American, I guess all global show, the Trader TV Live Market Makers Show with the beautiful V Money and P Money.
Hey guys, welcome back everyone. Please as usual be active on the chat, ask us anything, and give some attention to the like button. We need more likes. Prad, how's your day going?
Good so far. Looking for some positions to work for me. Most of them have been working, but I'm battling Dash at the moment. Besides that, I've been doing pretty good. How about yourself, Miss
Good,
B? You get
good.
any trading in today?
Yes, I'm finally back in
Nice.
Tesla. I had some stupid mistake, but luck is on my side today, and stock reversed and helped me to ended
Let's go.
up profitable. So we'll talk about that later. Let's dive into what's moving.
Yeah, for sure. So a couple positions that I'm in right now over here. Roblox, Dash, Disney, Activision, AMD. A little mixed board, obviously, shorts and longs. We'll start with the position that's out of the money, even though we are profitable on this position at the moment. It is a little bit out of the money because of the pop. So I took the 114 break on the way down, got out pretty much at 113.30, and I was scalping on the way up also just to make sure I'm protecting my profits. Reloading again at 114, getting back out, but this reload was very tiny because I was expecting this pop to happen, and now we're reloading again. Pretty much I'm gonna reload all the way up to 115, and if 115 breaks, we're gonna be done with this trade. Obviously, it hurts for me to short my baby AMD. It hurts, it's painful, but gotta put your day trading mindset aside from your long-term account mindset. Gotta put the whole trading mentality completely different and make use of whatever that you can make use of. Activision, you guys know what I do over here, right? Every day, same thing, rinse and repeat, go long and get out. Dash, obviously, I'm negative on the stock. I'll be 100% honest with you, right? I always have been. So I'm actually negative on the stock because I was trying to go long on the double bottom over here. I got stopped and I got back in a couple of times. So overall, the stock now turning back to the red side looks like. I might take one more reload, one last reload. Actually, nah, I think the stock is going to go a little bit lower because of how it's trading today. So we're just going to get out of it. Down on the stock, the only stock we're down on today. But, I'm okay with how much I'm down on it because I'm going to be killing it for the rest of the day thanks to my other positions such as Activision, we already talked about, and Disney. Look at this guy over here, right? We got the nice bottom picking thanks to my daily technical levels that I was looking at. Came in, saw that Disney was at a nice low that I could look for a long for, and I'll show you exactly what I was looking at. So if I zoom in over here, look at this day's, not the day low, but the opening print, somewhat kind of open print, I guess, right? So exactly near that low, I was like, okay, we're at a decent price point where I could look for support around here. So I tested a small size long, scalped out my first win for about 50-ish cents. We're still, wait, not 50. How much was this? Probably 20 something cents. We're now 30 cents in the money. We were up of 50, 60 cents at one point, I believe. But now we're just letting the stock play around, see what it wants to do. Obvious weakness in the market, not really looking good. And my best, last but not least, baby, Roblox. Killed it yesterday, killing it today. So if you guys saw me trade yesterday, we went long on the 56 area. We scalped it on the way down, all the way down. Over here, we covered our short, and then we flipped it to a long, and then we started scalping the longs. We would have liked it for that pop to the VWAP yesterday. We never got that pop, so we got out before the market closed, obviously, because we are day trade the world here. We only are allowed to hold the stocks for the day period, not anything past that. So Roblox coming in today, I was pretty surprised that we got a nice pop on Roblox after the earnings report yesterday, but we were very close to my line over here near $56, $57. So I took that short, giving it that risk of 57 break, which never happened. Also happened to be a double top. So a nice double top entry, gave it the risk of 57, which never happened. Scalp my profits on the way down. This order that you see right here is a stop in profit in case it does go all the way through 55.50. Then my last few shares that I have left on here, my last 10% that I have left, I'll get stopped in profit over here. Number one ticker for me, once again, Roblox on the short side. we'll be looking for some longs, but I think I'll wait for a little bit longer for the longs around 53 because that's where I flipped long yesterday into the close. So I'll wait for that a little bit. Also looking for some reload opportunities for the short side, maybe 55 right here where we're currently at. I put my stop here, so maybe it makes sense for me to reload over here, and I could put my stop somewhere higher. I'm learning to add to my winners at the same time while we're building a position for a kind of like the all-day trades for Roblox. So thank you on that. And AMD not really working out as we wanted to, but still not going way past our limits of our trade. So we're still within the range of our limits, and we're gonna keep on playing with the stock until it does anything outside of those limits.
Let's go, Prad. Great job. And I want to give a big shout out to our good friend Mike Reham for sending a super chat. Mike, I hope you're having a great day today. And as all of you guys, so I can quickly cover my Tesla trade today. I was shorting Tesla, guys. I got short in at 8.95 and my first out was at 8.91. So $4 in the money per share. And again, here's my mistake. I thought I bought more shares and I was happy, like, all right, here's my second exit, like buy back my short trade at 8.89. But guess what? Like, I bought back all my shares in here, and here I got into the long trade. And then luckily stock reversed and went back to the upside, and that's why I went out of this trade without any loss. But yeah, I need to take care more and pay more attention to my share sizing. But yes, guys, this what it is, and congratulations to everyone who caught Tesla short from the opening. Definitely a down trade for Tesla today.
All right, good little Tesla trade there, Miss V. Even though it was a mistake, I'm glad it worked out for you. Good little profit target over there.
Luck on my side.
Roblox just moved over resistance. If it stalls, could be a spot for sure. Yeah, I just threw out an order to get more short on AMD, did not fill. Threw out an order to get more short on Roblox, did not fill. We'll see if they end up filling. I'll let you know. Just learning to build it to my position over here. Something that I just closed was Dash, and Dash, I closed it because it got below 106 for the second time, and I was like, okay, I'm done with this. Based on the whole move today, we gave back every single dollar that we gained in the pre-market. Well, not really, we're still up 12%, so maybe not every single dollar, but a good amount of the pre-market move from yesterday or the after hour move from yesterday has been given back. So for me, the trend is to the downside, even though we're up 12%, and I don't want to fight the trend at this point. There's a better price point for me to go long in case it does go down there, which is near the hundreds. Obviously, we were at 99 yesterday, so I don't know if we ever go down there. Maybe 104s, 103s would be a better price point for me to look for a long on the stock. And it did go as low as 105 today. 105.30s being the low a day. 105.39. I guess that could be the bottom, but I tried a couple times. I got burnt. I don't want to keep getting burnt on this position. We're just gonna leave that guy alone. Let's see what he wants to do and come back after a different time. Reloading Palantir. Yeah, man, Palantir. Yeah, woman, man. I'm sorry, I don't wanna be gender specific here, but it's just a vocabulary that it just comes out naturally. Yeah, man. It's blah 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 blah. But yeah, so going on. Palantir has been talked about a lot. Obviously their earnings were yesterday. They did pretty good on earnings, but even though even then they crashed to the downside because let me actually get exactly what the report said. Click on that. Open this. Scroll. So here we go. Palantir forecast first quarter revenue. So it beat revenue, but I believe they guided lower or something along those lines. A loss, 8 cents. Palantir backed by tech. Peter Thiel rose 34%. So I'm not sure why we crashed if everything's good. Looks like they might have guided lower. Oh, Roblox is actually ripping past through my entries over here and actually giving me some fills. So we'll see. We'll come back to Roblox in a second. If you got long near the $12 level, obviously look at the support near 12. We did go as low as 11.76 over here on that day. So anywhere before 11.76 up to $12. Would have been a beauty of a fill long because you would have been 50 cents in the money right away almost. Let's go check on Palantir, PLTR, NY. EPS missed. Thank you, thank you. So yeah, look at this. If you waited for the drop to happen off the pre-market, or even if you waited till the open for the double bottom pre-market low fill, you would have gotten long and pretty much been in the money 50, 60, 70 cents. And you may be risking at the best break of 75. Depends on how far of a range you want to give it. Maybe you're risking the break of 12, maybe all the way down to 11.95 or something, 5 cents. Maybe you're giving 5 cent, 10 cent, or 13 cents, whatever cents you're giving. You're getting a lot more reward out of that trade at the end of the day, and that's the beauty out of that one. AMD now 50 cents out of the money. Obviously, we've been reloading on the downside every time, so on the upticks every time, to see if we can catch that move back to the downside. I believe AMD goes to $111 today, just on how the market's trading. Weakness in the market, redness in the market. I do see some support at 113, which is where we kind of bounced off of today, right? 113.21. But with the overall weakness, look at the resistance at 116. There's also resistance at 118 that we were shorting at. So if I'm leaning on these resistance levels, let me just draw this line out. If I'm leaning on these resistance levels, then I'm not too worried about my short right now. Just gonna keep on loading up to the upside and watch the stock come back to down later on. But keep in mind your Nasdaq is getting a nice little pop over here. So is your ES, getting ready to go back to maybe at least the previous range low over here, which was 14,380, I guess, on the NQ. And on the ES, we're going to 14,420, looks like. 420. But yeah. Moving over to real quick, see what's going on with other position. I was talking about Roblox. Let's go check out Roblox. Here we go, getting back to VWAP a little bit. We're gonna let it go a little bit higher to 56 in case we want our next fill. So we'll let the stock play out and then tell us what to do later on. And Disney now 50 cents in the money, getting ready to rock one more time to the north side with the overall move in the market. Thank you, Disney. Mwah, finger looking good. This stock has just been helping us all day today. So that's a beauty of a trade going on. And last but not least, what is Activision currently at? 18.18, and I have no profit targets to the upside because I want more shares long. So maybe I move some orders to 81.15. Miss V?
Prad, did we talk about ISPO yet?
ISPO? No, we did not.
A lot of people talk about this name. It's halted right now, and it's up more than 300% on the day, I believe. Let me double check. Like around 300%. Isn't that crazy to the upside?
Wow, yeah, what the heck, from $14 to $51, $54, and it's actually going to start coming down on the halts now. So let's go check out what the float of the stock is. Is there a reason for this stock to be doing this, Miss V?
I don't see really news on that name.
There is no reason for it to be doing this? Well, that's a great news then. That's great news. Obviously, I don't even see the flow. I don't see. Is this an IPO maybe? Let's go check out if it's an IPO real quick. De-SPAC. Okay, so crazy stock going absolutely wild. Look at that. It's recently IPO or SPAC not too long ago, and just ripping right now. $75.
Crazy.
No, sorry. Where did I get 75 from? 50, 55, $54, and the high was 58 today. I'm not sure if that's legitimate, but we'll see. We're waiting for the stock to open, and the theoretical auction price says $36. So imagine you're short 51, and this opens $20 lower. My goodness. Is anyone of you short right now in the halt? No? My goodness. This is going to be an insane open. Almost $20 to the downside. Let's see how that one goes. AMD still going against us, but like I said, I'm not too worried about it until it takes off the pre-market low, which is around 115.50. That being said, we'll actually throw another target out for one more fill on 115.44 for a fill over there. Let's see if they give it to us. It's actually above the 100-period EMA, but that's fine. Not too worried about that. Prad, your eye looks good. Yes, sir. Its eye was perfectly fine. It was just the nose that was a little bruised. Besides that, yeah, no, we're perfectly fine right now. Roblox getting ready to get me another fill entry over here all the way back at $56. Let's see if we can catch that fill. Currently, my overall average on Roblox is 55,825, and this will be my last fill on 56, and we're gonna give it to the high a day for Roblox to see if it's gonna pay us one more time, or is this the reversal on this stock after having a complete downside off the earnings report. Bought 10 shares of Roblox for 55.58. I hope this plays out. 55.58. We're currently 10 cents above, so it's working out for you. There's a possible chance that it goes through 56. Let's go check out what happens. Market obviously giving us a rejection candle at the numbers I pretty much gave out to you guys. So going up to uh, the previous not the consolidation, but the previous bounce low is where we're seeing some rejection come in. If we do go past that, then there is more green side most likely coming in for Roblox. And for ES, exactly where that number I said 44,420, 4,420, where we got up to the 4,420, and then now we're seeing some rejection come in. Let's see if we get some buyers coming in across the market, pushing the stock all the way back to not stock, pushing the futures all the way back to VWAP, which could bring some momentum for, like I said, Roblox, AMD to a little oomph to go a little bit higher than where they are currently. Dash on New York, we were talking about Dash. So Dash, remember I said I don't want to be holding this long anymore. I tried 3 times, 2 times failed. The 3rd time was a winner, but it does not make up for my overall losses on that stock. So we're gonna have to move away from it. Good decision, because here it goes again one more time and it actually create a new low at day 2 at 104.68. So yeah, I'm completely gonna leave the stock. The trend for the stock is obviously to the downside, and if I remove this line over here, the only other resistance support area I see is somewhere around here at 101. Get rid of that 105 for me, please. Is around 101 or so. So maybe I look for a long back all the way at 101 on Doordash. So market actually giving you that bump above those 2 levels that I said we could see some rejection at. So we saw slight rejection, and the market's giving you a little bit more oomph to the upside. Now NQ only down 1.42%, whereas ES is down 1.1%, and AMD now almost $1 out of the money. Let's see if we can get this fill on AMD, and then we're pretty much giving it the risk of the high over here, which was our previous resistance that we were leaning on. What's that number again? 116.77, so around 167, and 117. Sorry, 117.30 or so is the limit of my trade over here. Roblox hit 60 today. Well, let's check out. Roblox having a pretty nice move to the north side right now. It is up 3%. Obviously, having a beautiful move north from 50. Let me just show it to you on this screen. Why am I looking over on that screen? Having a beautiful move off. It looks like pre-market bottoms over here. Technically, this would be pre-market bottom, but having a beautiful move off pre-market lows all the way back to VWAP. Let's see if rejection comes in around VWAP, or if we see more buyers piling in, getting ready to buy the stock and push it all the way above 57. I do see rejection at 57 coming in if we do get there. That's why I'm leaning on this stock so hard. RBLX. There we go. So I do see this 56.77 level coming into play, even though yesterday we did make a high of, what is this, $59 high and a low of 53.08. 53.08. Miss V, are you looking at anything? Do you see anything fun?
I'm still keeping an eye on that ISPO, waiting for it to open, and yeah, trying to load my icon. Internet giving me some hard times.
Internet's being hard for Miss V over there. Internet, stop being a pain in Miss V's butt. Stop being a pain in Miss V's butt, Internet, before I beat you up.
Yes.
I thought they were talking to me. Never mind. So any stocks you guys are talking about, feel free to throw it in the chat, guys. 3,444 viewers and only 379 likes. That's right. Make sure you guys smash that like button, baby. Smash it. Thoughts on a firm at 40? Thoughts on a firm at 40 is, if you like the firm at 70, or if you like the firm at 170, then you like a firm. Then you love a firm at $40, right? Obviously, I was bullish about a firm just because of the partnership with Amazon, but that goes to show that this company is really struggling with their overall business plan, and I just gotta wait, man. I just gotta wait. Every day there's a new low being established on a firm, and I can't come in to hold the knife over here or catch the falling knife, as they say. We're just gonna let it do what it wants to do, and eventually, once the upticks start coming in, we'll start piling in. I did try to go short today, but it was too far away from my mental capacity to take an entry in. So the stock was trading around 40.98, I believe, and I came in and it was nowhere close to 42. So I said, nah, I'm not chasing that entry all the way down there. I wish I did though, because obviously I would have been in the money, but it's okay. Sometimes you just gotta let trades go. Sometimes the trades are not setting up for you the way you wanted to. So next time, another time. A firm business plan not good with rising rates. I agree with you over there, but anything a firm does at the current moment is not good for them. Like, just everything is just bad for them. The partnership with Peloton hurt them a little bit, and a firm with partnership with Amazon didn't really help them out as I thought it would. So a lot of confusion, questions. Just when you have a lot more questions about a company than answers, I think the best thing to do is just leave it alone and not touch it. Nvidia ripping. So actually I do have an order to get long on Nvidia, but obviously nowhere close to where I would have liked it at this point. Nvidia going all the way back to 250s almost. We're at 248. I had an order at 237.95 just in case 238 breaks, and the reason I have that is I really do think Nvidia goes there today for this low. Look at that rejection. Yeah, they had earnings. Yeah, they beat earnings. Yeah, they guided great and everything, but there's something going on in the semiconductor space that every single one of them is just getting absolutely beat up. Like, they're just going fire rounds against Muhammad Ali and then just losing every single round over there. So not gonna try to. I did try long, as you guys can see, obviously, but I saw the weakness in the tech sector. I saw the weakness in the semiconductor sector. I said, I'm taking this small win. How much did I even make out of that? Let me just quickly see. I got filled at 59s and I got out at 81, so I barely even made any money on this trade. I'll just take that and just walk away with it. Like I said, I wanted the long under 240, which never happened, and I'm not moving my order all the way up here. We're gonna leave it alone. Maybe I'll look for a short, but also that the problem is, it's nowhere close to where I would like to short it. Maybe 250, maybe 252. Yeah, maybe 252 if we do get there. But until then, I'm just going to be very patient to see what I want to do with NVIDIA. Let it play out in this range. Either I go long here or I go short here.
Prad, AMC holds above $20, so maybe we can take a look at AMC, up almost 2% today.
AMC, wow, okay, AMC actually above $20. Good thing I didn't short the $20 level then, huh? I thought, the market being weak, AMC around $19.90 should be a good short at $20, but I did not touch that bad boy. I left it alone, and I think that was a very, very, very smart decision on my part. Here's your AMD currently moving all the way to the north side, up 1.83%, while both your markets, your ES and your NASDAQ, are down over 1% today. So very good day for AMC. Let's see if GME is doing something similar. AMD now a whole dollar out of the money, and Disney 64 cents in the money for me. Let's go, Disney. All right, so where's GME? GME also up 1.45%. I was going to short 130 on GME the same way I wanted to short 20 on AMC. Man, I'm such a genius for making that decision and not shorting these stocks, because obviously apes strong together, apes too powerful. You stay away from their power.
Right.
The power is too strong. Trader Prad, can you take a look at Walmart short, please? WMT on New York. Let's go check out WMT. What is Walmart doing on the dailies? I know they had their earnings. Did they beat their earnings? I believe they did.
Which name, sir?
I can see it right here. Yeah, they beat their earnings by decent price, decent amount. Look at that bump up though, man. We pretty much gave back most of that move up though. From 138, we were all the way back to 137. Let me just mark that up for myself for tomorrow. Obvious support down here at 131, and even down here where we're currently at 133. So you're talking about a Walmart short. I'm not sure you want to be short in this bad boy. With higher interest rates, these consumer staple stocks should be going up higher in the future, because if food costs $500 or $100, you're still paying for it because it's food and you need to survive, right? So people are still gonna have to go, and stores like Walmart, Costco will make the most benefit out of it, because they are going to be able to price their products the cheaper than your mom and pop stores. So I don't think you want to be, even for a day trade, if you want to short Walmart, what are you shorting to? Your target, what, the lower day support that is extremely strong support? Like, what is your target on the short side? I don't really know what the target would be. And let's say you are wrong on your short, where is your stop? Is this your stop? Or is this your stop? Or is that your stop, right? Or is your stop going to go all the way up to 138, 137? Like, what is your stop on the short? The risk to reward is so garbage on this trade. Like, you're getting $2 risk reward for a $2 risk or something like that. So I don't really like that trade at all. That's a no-go for me, at least. Something that I don't like right now is my AMD trade, but you know, we just gotta let it do what it needs to do. I'm kind of debating if I want to add more shares. My limit up to the stock is 116.77, sadly, so a couple more dollars against me if it needs to go. I gotta let it wiggle. Actually, no, if 117 goes, we're done with this trade because we're taking off yesterday's close. We're taking off the pre-market highs. So if 117 goes, we're going to take the L and we're going to move on from this one. So based on that, maybe I'll take some more fills on this stock right here. I don't believe this move is sustainable on AMD. What is my last fill over there? Yeah, we'll take one more fill at 115.90. We'll see if it gives it to us. It did. Awesome. And then we'll ride it all the way up to 116.60, 116.50 for one more fill. We'll do that at 4.6. We'll throw that order up there, and then our stop obviously being on the break of 117. Wiggle. Nvidia, Shawnee, let's go.
Okay, so quickly here, Palantir, absolutely monster trade again off the 50 period, moving to the upside, bang, out there nicely, just trying to see what's going to happen right there on that last high side here for NVIDIA. So that's one play that we're looking, for Palantir. Our NVIDIA long, yeah, buddy. We're still long from down here. I was talking to Tony the Tiger over there. 243 flat right here. We're long on NVIDIA. The first target there was that 245. We talked about that, and then we just took out, we're trying to take out 250 right now. Update, I was looking at 247 to get out. That's where the 50 period is. We'll see if we can honor that and go all the way back up to the upside. But NVIDIA right now with a $6 winner on board for that. We still have our Fisker on from down here. That's working out. And then the big one, let's go Roblox. I can't hit any animations, but yes, man, Roblox, another positive name here today because nice move. Look at this, 54.60. We defend the 54 area. Again, Sticky Note Nation is in the building. Look at this, up to 56.20. And just in case nobody saw this is a funny meme, man. Y'all need to quit fighting over why Eminem was kneeling at the halftime show. You know his knees are weak and arms heavy, man. Come on. You know what I'm saying? Mom spaghetti over there, Prad. So yeah, good job there. And I want to get an update on Platinum, Prad, as well. When is that getting thrown down? I may take a piece out. Roblox, $1 in the money, just at 56. Let's take a piece out and let the rest ride for 56.80. But Platinum, Prad, when is that going down, my man?
Very soon. So tomorrow is actually my mom and dad's wedding anniversary. So I want to be looking a little Indian still for those pictures, and then a little Indian still for those pictures, and then we'll start looking a little whitewashed Indian tomorrow after that.
No, you should give them surprise.
Yeah, no, it's not a good surprise.
They're
at all,
like, you
trust
stole
me.
our shine. By the way, Prad, congratulations to your family.
Thank you.
For how long you're...
Don't ask me that question.
You
Listen,
don't know?
Greg asked me this question. The answer is I have no clue how long my parents have been
sweet.
married.
That's sweet.
They've been married. That's all I know.
I SPO opened.
Do you know how long your parents have been married?
30 years.
Wow, you actually know the number.
Yeah.
Well, okay, yeah, I don't talk to my parents like that.
Sweet. We really celebrated hard.
Yeah?
Yeah.
What do you guys do?
Like we were throwing parties and friends because it's like kind of the beginning of our family, kind of birthday of our family.
That's true.
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
So do you. You see, you have like anniversary.
I mean, yeah, we celebrate with mom and dad. Like we order food, like whatever. We celebrate with mom and dad. But like we don't do like crazy parties. Like we're not too fancy. My mom hates parties. Like she hates. She just hates it. So that's why like I'm gonna leave my hair. Probably next week I'll do my hair.
Sure.
I'll get it done. And today, you know, obviously they told me to wear a dress shirt. So what do? I go and raid my dad's closet, a nice oversized blue dress shirt. They asked me for a blue shirt. So I said, okay, say less. I'm going to go find the bluest shirt I can find in my dad's closet.
Very nice color.
Yeah, this is like the bluest shirt I could find. I was like, that's it.
Yeah.
This is me today. I'm gonna be a full crip. Not like I'm picking any gangs or anything, but I'm cripping today.
Creep.
All right. Miss V. Miss V dad goes total John Travolta. Oh, okay.
This is so funny. I saw that comment. Like,
Yeah.
Guy Lax messaged me on Instagram.
Please tell me moving averages you've used on screen. The 150, that's the only ones I use, and then the VWAP. When does the Indian marriage start? Oh, trust me, my mom's already looking for relationships, and yeah, I have to go home every day and yell at her, be like, no. Like, you know how you go to a cat and be like, no, or a dog and be like, no, no. So I have to be like that with my mom. No, no marriage, not yet. So our positions are coming back down a little bit. Roblox only 1 penny out of the money. AMD now only $1 out of the money. Someone asked me to look at ISPO tap again. So ISPO's tap is now 36, but it's not even halted, so it doesn't even matter. Man, look at that. It opened at, what did it open at? That's insane. Exactly 36.25. I wish I was watching this stock, man. What a crazy move. I didn't even want to put this on my radar. Like, I was listening to Neil and Sean talk, but I did not even want to pull it up on my radar. And now I'm feeling a little bad about not pulling it up because what a dummy I am. Look at this move on this stock today. Humongous, monstrous, gigantic move on this stock.
Yep.
Now up only 198%. I'm saying only because it was up 300%. So
Right.
it's pretty much giving back half of it right now. So we'll see where this one goes. Prad, no. Prad, no. Prad, no what? Will Prad marry when Tesla hits 15K? 15,000. 1,500, sorry, not 15,000. I don't know, bro. I want to save my money for myself. It's not like I have too much anyways, right? So I want to save my money for myself.
What do you
Like,
mean?
Look, I'm saying if I find a girlfriend, I know I'm gonna spend a lot of money. I'm just the type of guy I am.
But we live in 21st century. If you don't want to spend money on women, like
I wanna spend it on
women are now
myself.
independent.
No, not that
It's
way.
your
I'm
type.
saying I will
see.
go out of the way to do it. Like, I'll start buying flowers for my girlfriend every day too. There goes all my money.
You just need to find. If you find a girl, you like couldn't be able to resist this.
That's what I'm saying. Like,
So,
it's
yeah.
not the other way around. It's not like they'll make me go broke.
Yeah,
It's like
I get it.
I want to go on dates. I want to go outside to
Yeah.
movies. Like, I want to go do things if I have a girlfriend. And then that's just all my money just gone.
Happy girlfriend, happy pride.
Without a girlfriend, Prad's still happy. Don't get it wrong. Prad loves not having a girlfriend right now. Prad's very happy.
Yeah, we want you here. We do want you to spend all your time with your girlfriend.
No. I'm spending my time with my keyboard, my game, and my gaming mouse, Miss V. I hug them to sleep, okay? Stop trying to take my gaming away like my mom, Miss V. They're all the same, man. All these women in my
We were
life
on
trying to
the
take
phone
my
this
gaming
morning.
away. You were on the phone with my mom? Oh, my God. Imagine. All right. Wow. Crip walk, Prad? Okay, I'm going to try now. I'm joking. I can't crip walk, dude. I have no clue how to do that. No, I don't know how to. If I learn how to, then I for sure can. I've never done it, so I don't know how to. But I got moves. I got the moves like Jagger. Maybe I'll learn one day and we'll do it. You saw Snoop Dogg doing it. That was pretty cool. Hitting the C walk. Someone mentioned, I believe, was Novavax, NVAX. I forgot what the name was. Wow, I'm typing in the YouTube chat. Forgive me. How do I close this? Yeah, there we go. NVAX on NQ. Yep. So under $100 now. These vaccine stocks, yikers, right? So here we go. Novavax up today though with nice 2% move overall. 1 million shares, kind of light on the volume end for me, if you ask me, but still looking good. Still looking good. Going up, up and above. Let's go look on the dailies to see if we can find any levels to play out of. NVAX. Look at that resistance we're walking into on the $88, right? So multiple day resistance, 1, 2, 3. You can count this one, 2, 4. Count these ones, 2, 5, 6, right? Multiple day resistance going into $88.70. You can even push that up to $88.88. And looking for resistance off those levels for a nice short to the downside. So if you are looking for... Oh, look at that, 88.78. That's where we pretty much ticked up. Now we're going to try and make a high of 88 probably. Maybe we're going to get a weak break of 89 and then immediately spiral back to the downside. A weak break of 89 is what we're looking to see on NVAX. Sean says he's out of his Nvidia. Woohoo! Nvidia, good move on Nvidia to the north side, and now the curl. Man, they don't want to give me my fills today. Like, I'm waiting for on the extreme corners, and they don't want to give me those fills today. So Nvidia, I guess I'm just gonna have to wait for this long, a little bit longer for you. Prad gonna go long on a single and a short on a marriage. Come to Vegas, bro. Gonna go long on single and short on marriage. Damn right, baby. That's right, Saint Lion. Yo, I will come to Vegas and I'll take you up on that offer. Trust me. You keep asking me, I'll take you up on that offer, and I will make you spend so much money. So I will tender swindle you. Okay. I will. Did you watch that? You did, right?
Yeah, I did.
Did you watch the new one? There's a new TV show. Or like a Netflix show.
He wanna create one, no?
Sorry?
He wanna be a host of one, no?
Who?
The Tinder swindler.
No, that was a documentary.
Yeah.
But there's a show now called Inventing Anna. Did you see that?
No.
It's basically the female Tinder swindler.
Oh.
But it's like 8 episodes or 10 episodes. But she's basically the Tinder swindler, and it's like it's like a whole movie, like not a movie, but a whole show after it.
Cool.
So these Netflix guys are smart. Like they plan everything out. They're like, oh, well, we'll drop Tinder Swindler, and if Tinder Swindler goes popular, we'll drop something else that's very similar to this, so people get looped in and they get sucked in by the algorithm. They're so smart. Like they know exactly what we want to watch. They're geniuses.
I love Netflix.
Yeah. They're absolute geniuses. And look at Netflix, man.
Go long on Netflix.
Yeah, let's pull up Netflix. Let's go check out what Netflix doing today. They're absolute geniuses over there with their programming and their algorithms and their AIs, because like they can loop you in all day, baby, all day. We are seeing some support to the downside and resistance on the upside too, kind of stuck in ranges, so looking for a breakout of this range. So if you were to draw a box, we're pretty much this whole box over here. A lot of consolidation, a lot of sideways action. Can I see? There we go. A lot of consolidation, a lot of sideways action happening. Until we break out of this box to the upside or the downside, I don't really see a trade happening. Or you can short 411 and go long 387, which is a decent range in itself, obviously. But that range is not really being offered to you today. So I'm going to stay away from Netflix today. No trade, but I still love this company. What a beautiful company. I can't stop talking about it enough. Inventing Anna is the new show that I'm watching, and I would like for you to watch it, Miss V.
Hunting Anna?
Inventing Anna.
Inventing Anna.
Inventing Anna. It's a great show. I liked it at least. I think none of the story is true, but they say it's based on true events, except for all the parts that are made up. So I think the whole thing is just made up. So yeah, we'll see what happens. Roblox, here we go. Coming back to the downside. Yeehaw, Shadow Realm. We're going to send the stock to the Shadow Realm, baby. Now, bringing up to 47 cents in the money. We're not going to get that fill, I guess. Let's see how low can we go. My number one exit, my first exit is going to be pretty much around $55, and then we'll just ride the stock to the downside much, much more. I wish I was a little bit more aggressive on my fills, but it is what it is. What are we looking for? AMD. You guys want to go look at AMD? AMD now 70 cents and out of the money still. Not in the money, but, you know, I'm not worried about this trade at all, man. I'm not worried about this position in the slightest terms. I got the rest of the day to deal with this position, and I believe it will go back down to the lower days and a possible chance to create another lower day at 111 in case the market shows weakness. And there is no more in case, actually. The market is showing weakness on my glance over. Yeah, here we go. Market weakness. Let's see if we support 4410 on ES. If 4410 on ES holds up, we can go back to VWAP. That'd be good, right? That'd be a beautiful thing to see. And let's see if this range high. Well, let's be a little more liberal, not conservative. I guess I'm saying that right. 14,355. Let's say 14,355. If we can hold up above 14,355 on the NQ, then I think we can make another chance to go back at VWAP over here on the Nasdaq, which could still give you long some great positions to trade out of, right? Some great entries on the long side. Here comes our first out for Roblox. Here comes Roblox back to the downside. 55 coming in. We'll throw up our order flat 55 because I'm bored. Flat 55 because I'm bored. Come on, you're going to give me that, right? Give me that fill. Come on. Is there a reason you use SMA 150 instead of 50 and 200 like most people do? I use 100 and 50, not 150 and 200. People have their own reasons for it. At the end of the day, all that matters is find the one that works for you and use that. I use the ones that hedge funds use and big money uses. Big money trades off of these EMAs. They also use a 200 EMA, but for the most part, they get graded on their entries away from VWAP and the 100 and the 50, mostly the 100. That's why you see the 100 as the most prominent moving average is the 100-day EMA, and then it's the 200 after that, I believe. But I'm not a day trader. I'm not like a swing trader. I'm not an investor. I don't need the 200 EMA on my charts for the most part. The 100's more than enough, and I can just go off of that on the plus and the minus side. Miss V?
Yeah, Prad. And guys, while we have more than 3,200 viewers, I want to ask you to help us to get more likes. We're already doing great, like just 40 minutes. Wow, time flies today. We already have 600 likes, which means just 100 more likes to get 1,000. Easy math with Valeriia. So team, please smash the like button. It really needs your attention.
Quick maths.
Quick math.
Quick maths with Valeriia. Looks like Roblox does not want to give me that fill, but oh well. Screw you, Roblox. Tesla rejection 900 going back down. Let's go check out Tesla. Tesla going back down. It did reject 900, close to 900. Very close to 900, and you can say that's 900 for Tesla. Miss V is crying now because obviously she doesn't like the move.
I'm like, I do like the move,
Okay.
but the thing is, I really wanted to pick it up on the way back around the same area. I got
shorted
it for
again?
the first time. Yes, and kind of like I missed it. But if it's now like breaks this 892, yeah, honestly, I find it very helpful to keep an eye with Tesla on QQQ because really we're like, have you seen Rivian, by the way?
No, I have not.
Rivian to the moon today.
Really? What the? Why?
Hopefully it's still
Why is
there.
Rivian to the moon today?
No?
Oh, wow.
It's now came back.
Yeah.
But you see the morning move to the upside?
Yeah, that's pretty good. That's in 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 straight candles green on the 3-minute chart. So that's pretty good. That's a good amount of going up and above. So not sure if there was a catalyst there for Rivian.
I don't believe there was a catalyst. Kind of Fisker was affecting Rivian.
The earnings report?
Yeah.
Okay, that makes sense. Cool. So Fisker obviously having earnings helping them out with their Fisker Ocean or whatever it's called, or Pope Mobile? No, Fisker Ocean, I think. Roblox finally gave me my exit. Thank you, Roblox, for 55 flat, I believe. No, I did move my order up to 55.03 because they were not giving me the fill on 55 flat, so I moved it up to 55.03. Really no positions that I'm very eager to be in right now. Just managing my AMD trade, it's just swinging up and down. We are above VWAP. So markets, like I said, markets moving back up to the north side exactly near those prices as I mentioned. So if this market moves back to VWAP and AMD does not take out the pre-market high or the day high, then I'm even more convinced that this short is on for the rest of the day. Pope Mobile, that's right. Perfect timing. Yeehaw. Please look at Dash. Sold off good off earnings. Yeah, I was looking at Dash previously. Dash going down. Oh, all the way to 103. I believe this is where. No, I think I said. What did I say on Dash? Near 101 is where I would look for a long. So we're gonna leave the stock alone a little bit longer. Let's see what it wants to do. No long for me to make just yet on this position. You could try to make a long out of it and risk the low a day, which is pretty much 50, 70 cents from where you are currently. It could work out, but obviously with the overall trend of this stock to the downside is all it's screaming. So I'm gonna stay away from it a little bit longer until I see my entry at 101 or something around that. ISPO is running again. ISPO on NASDAQ. Let's go check out ISPO. It's about to halt again, isn't it? Wow, ISPO getting ready to halt one more time. I'm not sure if I'm gonna get into this one because it's gonna fake halt. If this doesn't halt in the next 30 seconds, fake halt. There we go. Fake halted, called it. Kachinga. Can Praddy ever be wrong? I guess not. I saw that halt coming from a fake halt coming away from a mile, man, and we dodged that bullet. So good job, Prad. Oh, here comes another halt. This one looks like it wants to stick this time. Are you serious? Are you sticking? 1, 2, halt. We're halted. This one actually sticks. That's insane. So ISPO halted. How many times did we halt today?
Oh.
Like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 halts, I believe. 5 or more halts on ISPO today. Just insane movements going on this stock. And we're what's the theoretical auction price? Not too far from where we currently are. So these halts are done at this point. The halt moves are done. They got too volatile, and now it's gonna start normalizing. So obviously, it's actually indicating to open lower than we're halted. That's disgusting. That's disgusting. I want to puke. Disgusting. Okay, finally got back up to 46. Yeah, you don't want it to open lower than we're halted because people are long and they will get destroyed if it goes lower than we're halted. That would be insane. Look at those gaps. Lots of money made and lots of money lost. Indeed, 100%, 100% observation over there. 4+ minutes to go. Yeah, for sure. Sorry, I just have to crack my hands there. Prad, check that. What am I checking? Show, knees are weak, arms are heavy. Prad, check that. That's hilarious. Yeah. 58 high is legit. Oh, 58 high on this is apparently legit. So, yeah. Thank you, Sean or Neil, for that confirmation of the high for ISPO today. AMD trend has reversed. It might have, but I'm still leaning on my read that I have, which is my levels. I'm just playing my game, playing my stock, playing my game over here overall. And we'll see if I'm wrong. I'm wrong. Nothing wrong with being wrong, and we'll take that loss and we'll move on. We've already banked a good amount of money on this stock already today, but if that means we're gonna give it all back and go into the negative slightly, then it means we go into the negative slightly. Dirty market makers on ISPO, maybe. Yeah, I mean, could be. Those guys love playing their games for sure, right? So be careful on that side. None your business. Yeah, nice try, Team PJ. Nice try, brother. PayPal long with a stop of 106. Let's go check out this PayPal. PayPal obviously getting crushed one more time to the downside, making another low. Today down 1.4%. No, what? 9%. Never mind. The change is only 1.4. But today PayPal down 9%. It did go as low as what? That's Palantir. What am I looking at, bro? PayPal is only down 2%. Thank you. I corrected myself there. Making a low of 107.81. We're still going lower. You said your stop is 106. 106 what? 106.7. So basically the break of 107 to the downside. Fair. If you want to go for that trade, I don't see any levels on PayPal until $100. So I'm not going for a long on PayPal until we get all the way down there. Roblox, 60 cents in the money on the short side. One more time, getting ready to go test low a day. Chitty chitty chang, bang bang. Praddy Daddy brings in all the money home. One more time on Roblox.
I like your sound effects today.
Sorry, Miss V?
I like your sound effects today.
We got no animations. What do? We need to do something. We got to make some entertainment. A firm on long short. How do you long short something? What?
Maybe long short, like holding short for long.
Short shorts or long shorts?
Short shorts, right?
Yeah, firm breaking 40, man. We're now going much lower. There goes a firm all the way to 39.20 being the low a day. How low can this stock go? Did you try to get short a firm there? What happened?
Superstars.
Yeah, they're taking pictures and they missed out on their trade. So firm. Here goes your market. Market getting ready to push north one more time. Beautiful uptick coming in exactly as we wanted to. All the way to VWAP on the ES. Almost back to VWAP. Not just yet. Don't reject over here. Go get all the way back to VWAP on the NQ2. Your volatility index showing some weakness coming to the downside. Roblox making an uptick right now. now only 20 cents in the money, and AMD $1.50 out of the money. Let's see if AMD can take out the day's high over here. We have our stop pretty much on the break of 117, and at that point we'll take the L and we'll move on.
Prad, did we talk about marine software yet?
MRIN?
MRIN, have a great day, more than 26% to the upside. We have it on the watch list. It has catalyst that companies that use marine software services now can add advertising on video focused social media, TikTok. So now if you're with marine software, you can advertise on TikTok. And guys, while we're here, make sure our watch list in your bookmarks. Check it every morning for the biggest movers, news catalyst, earnings reporters, everything. It's absolutely for free and so much helpful. And also we have archive, so you can go all the way until March 2021, kind of compare how stocks act. For example, like Tesla, I can see how Tesla acted during the previous earnings report, how it does now, and kind of work on my plan how to trade it.
Yeah, MRIN. So TikTok partnership, obviously TikTok being a big thing right now in the social media aspect. I still don't have a TikTok account. I don't think I want to make one just yet. I don't think I'll ever make one, to be honest. I'm too old for that nonsense now. MRIN though looks like we do see some resistance levels on the dailies that we can walk into. 471 is what I'm seeing, and there's multiple levels over here that we can also look at. So MRIN today up 26% off that news, and pretty much range bound ever since that news took place. Kind of gave back a little bit off the pre-market compared to the after hour move, gave back a little bit and then just range bound sideways, barcoding, and for a $4 stock, barcoding is completely boring action because you can't do much than scalp within that range, and that's pretty boring for anyone who's trying to take size, right? So not much going on here. Yeah, we made 53 million shares, but that barcoding action is really boring. Number 2 on the volume leader for the day, and AMD number 3, Nvidia number 4. SOXX is us, your semiconductor stock exchange or ETF, I believe, and that's pretty much up there. So look how your everything's up there. Let me just go make sure SOXX is your semiconductor one. Yeah, that's your semiconductor bear index. So it's the downside. So every time your semiconductors are shorted or going down, that index or ETF, sorry, goes up and up, all the way up.
Nothing can stop me. I'm all the way up.
Hey, you know what matches my shirt? If I put my hand up here, it disappears in the chart.
If you stand and go close to the camera, it will look like a black. Weirdo check.
Weirdo check. All right. What's the heck is going on with my computer? I think I hit some sort of macro and it just started bugging out over there. I just started typing a bunch of macro words and so on. Let's go check on DWAC. People are talking about DWAC. Obviously DWAC, I still think there's no trade to be made here until that news comes out. That's my opinion. Still no trade. 4 million shares. Spread is still very spready. Not exciting for me for the stock. Prad got burned. How did I get burned? What? Prad got burned?
5K likes and Prad gets belly button piercing. This light game,
belly button piercing.
You already have, right?
All right, watch your macros, Prad. Yeah, my macros went brazy over there. Here, let's see what my macros does over here. Oh, there we go. Look at that macro. Look at that macro. Look at that macro go, dude. Look at that macro go. What a stupid macro. I don't even know why I have that macro over there. What a dumb macro. I don't even know why I even use that macro. Prad, 1 week left for Platinum Prad. That's right. Next week for sure. I'll promise you guys that next week. Sometime next week, I'll figure it out.
It's going to be surprise.
Next week what?
It's going to be surprise.
Well, next week. But yeah, we don't know what date.
Right.
I just got to go to that place. I'm being really lazy. And also, like I said, tomorrow is my mom and dad's thing. I got to actually call the pizza guy and order some of mom's favorite pizza. Here, I'll show you what that pizza looks like. You guys ready? Watch this.
I'm ready. Make us hungry.
Popular pizza. So this is my mom's favorite pizza. It's called the Indian style pizza. I'm trying to find it right now. Let's see if we can find the specials. Well, I can't find it right now on here, but it's basically the Indian flavors on there. It has Indian spices, has the coriander, green onions, sorry, not green onions, normal onions, but green peppers and bell peppers and everything. Has the Indian spices, and the chicken is tandoori chicken flavor, and the rest of the pizza base is like the normal pizza base. So it's like a mix of like Italian pizza style. It's so good, bro. So good. Click on the Google images. Oh, okay, hold up. Popular pizza, tandoori chicken. Let's go check out. Oh, you're so smart, bro. You're a genius. Yeah, this is exactly what it is. Here we go. Look at that with the tandoori chicken, green peppers, onions, cheese. It's basically Indian spices with the tandoori chicken too. Ah, baby, that tastes so good. I can't wait.
That place look good. I would try something else from there. They have only like the Indian style.
Well, they probably have other stuff too, but like we only buy the Indian stuff from there. Because like when you're buying pizza, you want like actual pizza, but sometimes this pizza makes good. It's works. It's still tomato sauce based. Yeah, still tomato sauce based. All right. Is this trading? Yeah, we're trading pizza slices right now, dude. Microsoft trying to go to 296. Let's go check out what Microsoft's doing. MSFT, MSFT.NQ. Microsoft going to 296. Yeah, 295 coming into play for Microsoft over here. Let's see if we could get all the way to 296, obviously. MSFT. Let's go check out what we see over here on the daily. So that 294 support, I guess I should have just gone long off of that. I missed that. The 293, 294 support, the low a day basically being 293.53. What a free long. I missed that opportunity. Now getting ready to go back to 296, as you mentioned. Your markets do look a little healthy. Well, I'll take that back. Never mind. I thought we were gonna go all the way through VWAP and above VWAP because my AMD was so far out of the money. So I thought it was gonna basically keep on ripping on the Nasdaq on the ES. But here's your Nasdaq coming back down. Let's see if we can form support one more time. 14,360. I think the last number I said 14,355 or 14,350, but it was 14,360 where we're finding support. So working out for my shorts, which is basically Roblox and Activision's out of the money. What am I doing? Let me go check on Activision. It's not too far out of the money. What am I complaining about? Okay. But yeah, Roblox still working, coming to the downside. AMD a whole $1 out of the money. But man, I'm not done trading this stock until it burns me or it makes me. You know, my strategy, you guys know my go-to strategy, right? If anyone who doesn't know what my go-to strategy is, go to Twitter, go to Trader Prad. Go to Trader Prad, and you'll see right here my go-to strategy. Jesus, take the wheel. That's my strategy right here. So we're gonna let Jesus take the wheel on AMD and see if he wants to drive it off the cliff or drive it directly into the church where he's gonna feed me some bread and wine, baby. It's either bread or wine or driving off the cliff. Either way, we're doing it with Jesus.
Tesla broke 900 to the downside, guys, at 889 right now. I wanted to short it again, but I don't wanna now jumping into the late train, or how you say that?
Jumping in front of a freight train?
Like when it's already left.
Oh, well, late
too
train.
Late.
Yeah, too late train. Yeah.
Yeah, too late train
Departed.
for me. Yes. So, but I think he possibly could get back to this area at around 887. Well, it's very close to there. Let's see if it can break that. But Nasdaq now down 1.60%.
So Prad, serious question. When will PayPal stop crashing? Hold up. Let me find my crystal ball. Oh, that's right. It's out of service. The guy has to polish the ball for me. So whenever he polishes my crystal ball and gives it back, I'll tell you exactly when it'll stop falling. I don't know the answer to that, homie. How am I supposed to answer that? Come on. Praise the Lord, brother. Praise the Lord. Yes, praise the Lord. Affirm. Let's go check out what Affirm is doing. Oh my goodness, 39, 38. We're just taking out every levels. Go shop Affirm. Next up to being in the garbage. Right beside Robinhood, I think is Affirm at this point. Oh boy, oh boy, oh boy. The only two IPO charts at this point that look like this is just Robinhood and Affirm. Look at this. Look at Robinhood ever since its inception. 85 on Hood. No. I know what you're trying to say, but listen, look at this company. Look at Affirm. Absolute destruction on both of them. My goodness. I guess Robinhood looks way worse, though. Robinhood looks like someone actually just like shot it into a hoop. It was a complete arc to the downside. Affirm looks a little bit better. But, man, how low can you go is the question. Where is the support coming in for Affirm? Is this not undervalued? Like, isn't everyone who got priced at IPO bagged? Like, this is bad. This is bad. Everyone's bagged over here, man. If we go to 5 days, what is the volume point of control? So even people who've been trading it for the past 5 days are bagged, right? Obviously. Man, I don't know what the low is. The same goes to PayPal at this point, right? We don't know what the lows are. Let's go to 1 year. That's 1 year. Let's go to 5 years then. What is the volume point of control in 5 years? So for the past 5 years, the most volume transacted at $80. And that means there's a very high chance it could go all the way back to $80 to find support again. So that's why I'm not even trying to jump in front of any PayPal longs at any point until we go all the way to $100 or $80. So just gonna leave this stock alone, let it do what it wants to do. Activision, we're gonna let Activision alone. AMD only 50 cents out of the money. Look at the drop over there, but still finding support in front of 115.50, which is not good for me. So let's see if it's gonna eventually work out. Maybe we could trim some shares over here and get back in at the high so our average ends up being better. So we'll throw up a exit order. We'll trim some shares. What we call it recycling shares. Basically, you're getting in, getting out, getting in, getting out, recycling, so you end up with a better average. That way, when you do end up with your overall thesis on the trade end up being right, you still have a core position at a better average, and later on, you kind of make up for that couple losses you take here and there for that recycling of shares. Affirm ultimate limbo. Yeah, it is the ultimate limbo at the moment. It's just sad to see what's going on with Affirm. PayPal completely following them on the downside over there. ISPO manipulation at its finest. I mean, that's what happens when you play stocks like these, right? That's what happens when you trade stocks like these. And now it's halted on the down move. It just opened. Woo, okay. It just opened off that halt. What the heck? And where are we going now? 3 million shares traded only. After all of this, we only traded 3 million shares on this stock. So what is the actual float on it? You know what? There's someone who's just sitting here ready to offload the shares on everybody, and you're gonna see it come drastically back to 10. And is my fear. That's my fear, right? So be very careful for anyone who is playing these games with the market makers. You're playing games with these guys.
Market makers are us. We're market movers.
We're market movers.
By the way, guys, busy day for earnings, but we still have a few names for tomorrow also. So here is the board with companies that are going to report earnings after market today and before the open tomorrow. We still have a few big names right in the middle. DraftKings, favorite, Roku. We love Roku here. Dropbox, Sunrun, Invesco. What do you see interesting in here, Prad?
Kathy Wood's on CNBC. Watch out for a Palantir pump, guys. Watch me. Let me put that back. I was gonna talk about that.
Oh, really?
Yeah. I think. What?
Sean distracted me a little bit.
I think Roku, DraftKings, and Dropbox are the only ones that stand out for me over there. The rest, I don't have no clue what they are. Yeah.
Guys, if you have clue what they are and you're excited about any of those names, write them in the comments. So maybe we will take a closer look at them too.
Thank you, Miss V, for the earnings update. So, guys, Kathy Wood is on the CNBC right now. Watch for a Palantir pump, watch for ARC pump, or a Palantir dump. You know, because people like shorting her overall. So be very prepared to see anything happen across the board. I'm just putting my head over to see if she even mouths the word Palantir. Not like I know how to read lips or anything, but if Gam Gam over here can talk about Palantir, then maybe I could go long. Let's see what she talks about. That's right, I said Gam Gam. That means more red for Kathy. Yeah, look at this. Palantir already going to the downside as soon as she starts talking, man. People just love shorting her, apparently. At least that's the talk on the street, right? So we'll see what happens. Hood pumping up. Let's go check out Robinhood. Hood.NQ. Hood getting a nice move up north here, but obviously down 6% today. I'm not sure if this is based off of the CNBC talk. I think if anything pumps based off of CNBC and Kathy Wood, it should be more your Palantirs and your other basket stocks other than Robinhood. Hey, Prad, what's the name of your volume indicator on the trading view? You got it exactly right. It is called the volume indicator. Kathy is always a Tesla pump. Tesla pamp. Let's go check out Tesla. Tesla creating a lower day right now at 886.80. Well, pretty much at the lower days. Let's see if we can crack that lower days or if we're going to go back to the north side over here. But the overall pump that everyone's expecting to be happening, coming in very, very soon from Aunt Kathy. Aunt Kathy. All right. DWAC check after Tesla. We already talked about DWAC. I'm not going back there. There's no trade to be made on DWAC until the news comes out. That's my opinion, and I'm sticking to it. We already mentioned that stock before. We're gonna look at people are jealous of Kathy for being 100% right on Tesla since the early days. I think, you know, I don't want to get into it too much actually because this topic is so stupid. There's like a lot of tin hat conversations in this conversation. We don't know until we actually know what's going on, right? So speculation's great. I love speculating. I love theorizing. You guys know that. You guys love making fun of me for theorizing a lot of stuff all the time. So coming back to you guys making fun of those jokes, let's just apply those jokes a little bit over here, which is we don't know what is a real fact or a lie on that and that conversation. So it's a waste of time. Just play the market, play the news that's being given to you, play the moves that the market's giving to you. So if Palantir starts pumping, go trade Palantir. Who cares what the tin hat conversations are, right? AMD back in the money, going to the downside. Let's go. Once you have a read on a stock, you stick to that read. You stick to your play. Your setups are what pays you. And here we go, man. I just can't lose today. We're back in the money on AMD. Number one stock for me, still Roblox on the day, but most likely AMD is going to take over when AMD touches 111 today. I'm still ready for it to touch 111. I said it was going to do that yesterday. We did not do that yesterday. I'm going to say it's going to do this today. Most likely not going to do it today because I said it, but I would like for it to do it. Go all the way to 111 and take that low out in front of 113. But that would basically be the double top bottom where I'm going to cover one more time if we do end up going there. There goes AMD. Now number two stock on the day, beating Disney if I cover all of my shares right here. We'll take one more profit target because why not, right? Because why not? We're about to break VWAP right now. Let's take one more profit target. Why not? And then we'll hold how much do we have? We have 75% left. So we'll hold the rest of the bag all the way to the downside to see if we can touch the low a day. Roblox getting ready to also go back to low a day. 60 cents in the money. The only position out of money right now is Activision. For some reason, I don't have any orders to get more shares long, and that is not okay. So let me throw out some more orders over here for Activision. Get long, baby. Come on, give me them fills. Dash is at 100. No shot. Okay, thank you for the call out. Let me pull up where my level was over here on Dash. So Dash instantly going to where we want to go long on. This is actually beautiful. So we're gonna look for a long on this guy, and we're gonna actually take out liquidity because I'm okay with giving it a whole dollar room to the downside on Dash. This is a little bit of overextended down move now, and I'm okay with taking long all the way back to 108s, 111s, not 111, sorry, 106s, 108s. Let's see if we can get that move. Obviously, we're giving it the break of 100 to the downside, so probably 99.50 is how far you're gonna have to let it wiggle around. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. Market's still showing weakness, so it could easily take off that low. If we're gonna go back to yesterday's close, that's pretty dirty on Dash Doordash, because like, come on, what's the point of having a killer earnings report then, right? Let's not go all the way back to yesterday's low. Doordash also out of the money, but who cares? Not too big of a deal there. NQ making a double bottom at the moment. Let's see if we find support at the double bottom on NQ. Almost down 2% on Nasdaq. Your ES is only down 1.5 or 1.25 now, but getting ready to also break that support that we've been bouncing for quite a bit. If that support breaks, then obviously double bottom without a doubt. But if that support does hold up, then maybe a little scare for my short positions such as AMD and Roblox, because market might just want to go back up. But
for
in
now,
my
market
opinion,
go down, so does Facebook, right? But thumbs should be go only to the upside, Prad.
I hate this new screen. It's so much smaller.
Yeah,
I don't
yeah,
fit
like
in this
this.
screen
I
now.
know.
I gotta go.
Anyways, maybe we can take a look at Facebook, down 1.30%.
Facebook for sure. How much did you say?
1.30%.
Oh, I thought you said 13%. I was like, Facebook's down 13%?
Wow.
I was like, what? I almost had a heart attack there. But, okay, no, Facebook's down 1.2, 1.13%. And, finding support, I guess. But Facebook's just continuously creating new lows. I think Facebook earnings is very, very recent. Nope, that's not the one I was looking at. Okay, I was looking at Coinbase, and I thought it said 7 days for Facebook. So Coinbase earnings is 7 days. Facebook, we already had the earnings, and that's why we dropped like a rock, drop it like it's hot. And yeah, so the low on Facebook is right here at 212.36. I think we could go all the way to 212.36. Why not? If market shows us more weakness, why can't we go to 212.36? What's the best way to receive news real time for an average trader? Well, man, honestly, it depends on how lazy you are and how technologically advanced you are yourself. And you gotta. I saved those two things in combination because I really believe in what I'm going to say next. If you're really lazy like I am, then you might want to pay for a source that gives you all the information. Miss V uses the Icon terminal,
Right.
So and that costs money. Right, so you could pay for these information sources like a Bloomberg terminal, Icon terminal, and they consolidate all the information together. It costs money. But I'm also, at the same time, while I am lazy, I am very technologically advanced, where I can instantly open up a browser, quickly find the things I need to, and if I can't, I'll learn how to. So because of that, I don't see a need in paying in those terminals. I can quickly open up Twitter and type in the news. I can quickly open up websites such as BAMSEC, right? BAMSEC, and just type in, oh, BAMSEC's already open here. Just go on BAMSEC and give me a stock, maybe give me Tesla. Let's go check out what's the recent news on Tesla. The recent news on Tesla was on January 26th, investor presentation. So obviously this one you can pay also to get more information or faster, better information. It's all depending on you and how you want to access your information. Maybe you want to be a Twitter trader. Nothing wrong with being a Twitter trader. Just get TweetDeck. Get tweetdeck.twitter.com. Put in a bunch of TweetDecks over here. Notice how I have Walter Bloomberg. I also have our Walter Bloomberg, which is Brandon Wickens, coming in every day with the hot, fresh news. Look at this. Just sit over here, have a bunch of live squawks, have a bunch of TweetDecks open, and all you have to do is just wait here on a different screen for one of these guys to tweet. Wait for Brandon to tweet. Look at this. Brandon tweeted 51 minutes ago, and he's pretty up to date on his tweets. Some of these other guys are also up to date on these tweets, and you can just sit here with something like this. It depends on what you find useful to you. So there is no one answer to that, right? There's like it just keeps on going for that.
And again, keep in
Bottom
mind, guys,
Wiccans, wow,
add
chill.
morning movers list to your reading bookmarks. So just every morning at around 8 o'clock in the morning, we post this, and here are the biggest movers. We do it before the market opens. So the show starts at 8:30. We do all the preparation, the discusses together. So we're all ready for the opening bell to make some money.
Whoa, this guy just sent me a JaVale McGee ultimate blooper mix. Bro, why are you making fun of JaVale, bro? Didn't you hear what happened? Shaq's mom had to go to Shaq and tell him to stop making fun of JaVale, okay? You don't want Shaq's mom after you, okay? Stop making fun of JaVale, bro. Leave him alone. The guy has a ring on his hand. Stop making fun of him. He does have a ring, right? Yeah, with Golden State, he has like a couple rings. Yeah, exactly. So stop making fun of the poor guy, bro. He's living his life. Everyone just brags on the poor guy. When you pay, you get the news first, and obviously, if you pay, you get the news first. But there's also other sources where you can get news for free, and you're pretty much as close to as actual paying sources. Like people on Twitter. 3 rings? All with Golden.
2 golden, 1 actually, he was on the Lakers 2 years ago. In the bubble, he won.
When?
The Lakers in the bubble.
Okay. I didn't know that. Okay, well, he won with the Lakers and 2 with Golden State, I guess. There we go. Thank you, Sean. Sean coming in for the update for us on there. Wow, I didn't even know he won with the Lakers. All right, 102.50. Next support for PayPal, I think. PYPL. Did you... I'm typing it all wrong. 102.50. So someone is long right now on PayPal. They did say their stop was on the break of 106.70. It did not break 106.70. So I guess if you are long, you're about to start rolling in the money. Be ready to take some profits over there on your end for your PayPal long, because it's about to start rocking back to the north side. And congratulations on that call out. You know, yesterday you had the Nvidia call out. You were right. Today you might just have a PayPal long call out too, but be careful. Obviously, be very careful. And I know you know what to do. Prad acting shocked he didn't know NBA facts. Hey, listen, I know what I know, and I don't know what I don't know, okay? And that's the beauty about me, because I can take punches about things that I don't know. But hey, don't make fun of stuff that I do know, Amir. Today is a good day because you didn't have to pull out your AK. Where's my AK? I'm going to have to pull out my AK because everyone in the chat's about making fun of me. Brrr, let that thing go with the extendo mag, baby. Extendo mag.
Wow, so much violence.
Miss me, you're too cute. So much violence. You know AKs are from your country?
AK-74?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All the AKs.
Oh no, it's 40.
All of them.
It's 40 something. Oh,
All of them.
Okay.
The brand is something Kalashnikov. So it's made in Russia, right? I think. Let's Google it real quick. Hold up. AK weapon.
Oh my god. 47, right? Not 74.
There is a 74.
There is one too?
There's a 74,
Wow.
there's a 47, there's an AK-74U. There's different models, because you can take this barrel and you can modify it completely to wherever you want. And it's a, see, what does it say? Kalashnikov? You probably can't see. It's probably too small.
Yeah.
Mikhail Kalashnikov, original
Kalashnikov.
Russian. Kalashnikov.
Kalashnikov.
Yeah, so look at you Russians, man, creating one of the most reliable weapons in the world. The most reliable weapon in the world. Does
Good
not
for us,
jam
I
as far as video games go. As far as video games go. All right. Going back to the stock market over here, we're still waiting to see what my positions are going to do. I'm in the money on all my positions, but I don't want to take profits on any of them. I'm just going to let them wiggle around a little bit. I'm still upset my Nvidia is not going to give me an entry. My 237 long, we're just going to be very patient for this guy. NQ did make a new low a day, but immediately started making green ticks. So let's see if those green ticks are going to help out the market over here in order to go back up in any fashion, that is. AMD here, let me show you AMD. Maybe I'll take one more profit target on AMD. We'll just take out the liquidity because I don't want to have a lot of size on the way all the way back up in case that does happen, because we're 70 cents in the money, right? So we don't want it to retrace on us and screw us over. So we'll leave that. But it does go back. We're getting back short. You best believe me, we're getting back short if it does go back up there. Prad Uber set up for a long with a stop below 36. Let's go check out Uber Duber. So Uber did set up for a long, most likely. Double bottom coming in. You have a break under 36. If you have a stop under 36, remember, you got to give it up to like 36.80 break maybe, or a 36.75 break maybe, but not more than that, right? So let's go to Uber real quick. Let's go check it out. Oh, nah. I guess there is support here at 36, but this could easily go down to 34. Like, what's stopping the stock to go all the way to 34? Yeah, they had good earnings, but you know, we gave back a couple days, 2 days back to back red. We're trying to find support at 36, but if 36 goes, we're instantly going to 34, 33, 30 or so. So I'm gonna leave that stock alone. No trade for me. I'll let it play all around a little bit to see what it wants to do. Kind of still in ranges from a couple days ago, so no trade for me still. Dash, $2 in the money now. Let's go, baby. Thank you for the person who called out the 199 on Dash, because I actually did not have an order to get long on Dash. I completely forgot to throw an order, so you saved me on that trade. Thank you for calling it out. You're the real MVP, my friend, and watch me start crying like Kevin Durant now. Ooh, you're the real MVP. But yeah, here we go. $2 in the money now. Rock into the upside. AMD still 70 cents in the money, 50 cents on Roblox, and 3 cents, a whole 3 pennies on Activision. Activision no longer giving me the range it used to. I think the market makers have caught on to my tweets and are like, oh yeah, you say it's free money? No more free money for you, buddy. We're taking that money from your pockets. And they stopped moving the stock in the ranges that it used to move in. Sad, but it is what it is.
Tesla is back to 888, guys. Let's see if it will break to the downside. I'm really now looking for long opportunities on Tesla. Hopefully markets will get back higher. For now, Nasdaq is down 1.83%, which is bringing Tesla down also. But also, sort of maybe is asking your opinion on Tesla. How do you feel about double bottom Prad?
Sorry, I'm just taking some profits here. How do I feel about the Tesla double bottom? I think I talked about it. You know, obviously double bottoms are a setup that I do enjoy taking, but for Tesla, it's the time of the day where it's not the most exciting for me. Tesla could go much lower to $880 if it wants to. There is resistance over here at 900, obviously, but you know, $10 range or $20 range, whatever we're in for Tesla. If you want to look for a $10 scalp, yeah, cool, but I don't know. The risk reward is great. Honestly, the risk reward is like absolutely nutty to not take it, but I just don't like the trade. I just don't like it, so I'm going to stay away from it. But it would be stupid to not take the risk reward that the stock is offering to you. Disney now, why do I keep saying Disney? Dash now $2.40 in the money. I still don't want to take profit. What's wrong with me? I think the Arun bug has bit me or something, because every time I see $2 in the money, I'm usually closing the trade. But here we are now with $2.40 and we're nowhere close to closing the stock. Yeesh. Dash was the only negative stock for us on the day. We're about to turn the stock into positive, baby. Let's go. No negative tickers on the day at all. Market rebound. Yeah, market getting ready to make a nice move back up north. I'm still sitting in my AMD trade. I'm still sitting in these trades. I did take another profit target on Roblox because obviously I don't want the stock to pop up on me and take all my profits away. You're trying to tag me? Something. Yeah, Trader Prad. Burn me with my wallies? What does that even? Bury me with my wallies. Okay. I'm not sure if I even understand that, but okay. Buying up MRIN. Still stuck in that range? No. So looks like we did dip slightly under that range. Now we're to the 100 period EMA. But, I guess we're still in the pre-market range, so not much going on this side. Obviously, we'll see if the stock can find buyers and move higher later on in the day. The volume kind of died off after the opening drive, and a $4 stock just trading in 10-cent ranges is very boring to me. 104.25 dash, you should cover some. Okay, I'll actually listen to you on that target. Where are we? We're almost there. I'll cover some at 104 or something. What'd you say? 104.25. So I'll do. Where's my dash screen? DASH on NQ. We'll do. Let me go over here. Let me see. What do I got on dash? Dash. This could go to 105, bro. I don't know if 104 is it, Chief. I don't know if 104 is it, Chief. Yeah, maybe. We'll see. 104.25, you said. Where is it? 104. You know what? No, I'll do this. I won't say what it is, but I'll throw my order out there, and then you'll see it when it kicks in. It'll get kicked in. I'm not gonna tell you where my order is. He usually on the 3-minute. Yeah, I'm on the 3-minute on the stream for you guys, but on my second screen, I'm on the 5-minute.
Guys, I jumped in here long on Tesla at 889. My out
Yes,
at
sir.
891.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. So I'm out 50% of my position. I will still be holding. So now at 891.50, I would love to get rid of a dozen more. So let's see. Let's go. Tesla bringing me some money today.
Tesla raining money for Miss V over there. Money.
Must be funny.
I miss singing ABBA with you, Miss V. Arun doesn't sing anything.
Real.
No paka, no singing.
Doubts.
Nothing.
No
Not even a
doubts.
shimmy for 1K likes.
Really?
Nothing. But he still managed to get
Boo.
3K somehow. So that's the Arun power, I guess, right?
Value.
Arun value. Yeah, the value likes. The value like
It was
clicks.
so funny. I saw in the chat someone mixed Arun and indicator, and it was like
Arundicator?
Arun indicator or
Yeah,
something
yeah.
like this. So funny.
Yeah. The chat's very, very creative. They're smart. Huge green volume spike on ISPO. You're still looking at that stock, huh? Let's go check out what ISPO is doing. Volume still, I guess I don't know if you would say it's there. I'm out. I don't know, man. It's so weird for the stock currently. 4 million shares traded, and it is trying to go back to those previous halt prices. Like, that's insane. We'll see what happens, obviously, on this position. Currently up back again to 300% on ISPO. I want to know what the float is on ISPO. Quickly taking a glance at the overall market getting a nice little pump to the north side over here off the lows from NASDAQ. Can I click on my chart? There we go.
Let's go.
Are you still on your long?
Yes, I'm
Nice.
still holding some.
Miss V killing that long.
Loving
So
it.
beautiful long. As mentioned, right? That risk to reward on that Tesla long was just too good to take, not to take, but obviously not my trade, so I didn't take it. But I'm happy somebody did, and they're smoking it. So let's go, Miss V. NASDAQ moving up over here, helping out that long over there too. So I'm loving it. ES getting ready to go back to VWAP one more time. As long as we don't see rejection at 14,420, I think we could go back to VWAP on the ES, which would be good, obviously, and actually not good for my AMD though, because AMD getting back to the north side along with the overall market. Let's see if we can get back more fills above 116 on AMD and ride that rocket to the downside for the second time. I mean, we've been scalping this trade so far, and we want to just continue that a little bit longer. Doordash has actually come down quite a bit now. We're only $1.50 in the money compared to $2.30 in the money, but not worried about it. We're just going to let it do what it wants to do, and if it goes below, it goes below. PayPal going up on a Tuesday.
Oh, I'm not sure. We didn't cover super chat, right?
I don't
Second
think
super
so.
chat of the day from Sky Trader Stocks bull emoji. Thank you so much for your super chat. I hope you're having a bullish day. Zilla is on fire. Truth Social and Zilla join hands. I don't know about those news, but Zilla in fact positive on the day today. Can we take a look at penny stock Zilla?
Yeah, let's go check out Zila. Dominic Formularo, what's up, homie? I haven't seen you in a long time. You missed that push on ISPO. What push on ISPO? ISPO. Oh, this push right here. It's going to halt right now. Wow, okay, let's see. This stock is nuts. ZELA. Let's go check out ZELA. 12% to the upside, coming back to VWAP after creating a high. You said some partnership or something with DWAC. That's what a viewer
Yeah, but I
said. We don't
didn't-
know if
I
that's
didn't
true.
see about this in
Yeah, we don't know if that's true. So we'll verify on our end. Obviously, we don't want to be wrong for the viewers. So we'll verify it and come back to you on that side. We'll circle back. Prad, why are you so condescending and patronizing with me? She's not a small girl. She's an adult, in case you haven't noticed. Okay, what you haven't noticed is this fat 300-second timeout you're getting for that stupid comment that you just made me waste 30 seconds to read on. Don't ever waste my time like that again. My time is way more valuable than reading comments like that. So that's a 300-second timeout coming in real quick.
I don't see any news in relation between DVAC and Zila, to be honest.
So
on
you don't
Icon.
see any news?
No.
So there you go. We don't see any news. We're not gonna say that. President Biden to issue an executive order on regulating crypto next week, coming from Yahoo Finance. That's Brandon Wickens. So Brando, B-Man himself, coming in with this update just now on our work chat, and you know, basically letting us know, be ready for some crypto volatility. So if crypto volatility is coming in, man, I'm gonna go check on Coinbase real quick. Let's go check out Coinbase. Let's go check out GBTC. Here goes Coinbase to the downside, obviously, and cryptos probably start puking now too. Why you gotta mess with my account, Biden? But my crypto was just positive, man. And here's gonna go. I think that news might affect it a little bit, but hopefully, fingers crossed, we stay positive on this volatility for crypto. It's gonna bring in some fun moves over here. So let's all be ready for crypto moves, man. There's gonna be great times.
But we have a comment on the chat from Zach Catton. Day Trade World have ISPO shorts available. Yes, indeed, we have like almost everything available for shorts with our great trading platform. We can even short IPOs, guys. So if you want to learn more information about Day Trade World, I send you the link on the chat.
Wow. So to locate the shorts, you're saying? Wow, that's insane. That's crazy. $7 a share to short the stock right now. Who's even shorting this? What's going on over here? That's insane. Is that an indication that you just go long, Neil? Is that like an indication where these fees are so expensive that you go long? Because I've never seen something that expensive.
So like it used to be, sometimes what would happen is like the fees would go like way up, and then when they started coming down.
That's your short? Yeah.
Right.
So I was just asking them, guys, if fees to borrow are so expensive, would it just be smart to go long and forget about it? And he said, well, like basically there is a setup where you can check for fees, and if the fees are coming down, that's a good point to start shorting it. So the idea stands, but man, you can't check that real time. This is an insane stock. Like, wow. Okay, so on the work chat? My personal? Show chat. Your show chat? Okay, the YouTube chat. Got it. Yeah, $7 per share to short ISPO at Day Trade the World. And usually we have some of the best locates ever. So that's pretty insane, man. Roblox. Yeah, Roblox blasting right now. Moving back up north. Bought more Roblox. Okay, let me get out of my short. That's a wrap for my short. That's a GG. That's a CNBC pump coming in over here. Aunt Kathy coming in with the Hail Mary clutch, the long ball over there, and Sean receiving it, the wide receiver, just cashing it, about to go touchdown, Gronkowski style, smash. I see you there, brother. I see you. If Kathy Wood is Tom Brady, we're in trouble, he says. Oh, boy. Yeah, that's going to be enough for my Roblox short. Thank you, Roblox, for the money today. We're going to move away from this guy.
And real quick, let's move to the comment from Stop Console Wars. Kathy Wood is talking way too much on CNBC now. They should let Daniel Shea talk. By the way, today's Thursday, which means Daniel Shea will join us at 2:55 with her options update. I'm super excited. Hope you too, guys. So don't miss that. And also, we have multiple super chats for Dominic Famularo. Did I miss me, fam? Yes, Dominic, we always miss you. And when I was back in Russia, it was nice chatting to you on Instagram. What else we have from you, Dominic? Scroll. Oh, I mean, yeah, here, Prad shorted. I dare you.
Short what?
Short what, Dominic?
Sure
Thank you
what?
for your super chat, by the way.
I'm not sure
And
what.
if we're here, let's check the like button, guys. Almost 900 likes, so 2,700 people are watching. And please know each and every of you has the like button. Turn it to the upside, smash it, hit it, like it.
Smash it, hit it, like it. Sounds like a song over there for some reason. Like a Daft Punk
I
song or
should contact
something.
Drake.
Daft Punk song, that'd be pretty cool. For market movers, imagine. They should have an on Kathy versus Peter Schiff debate. Ooh, maybe that would be fun. Yesterday, there were some interesting statements being thrown out yesterday.
Someone wanted to see you and Peter to debate.
I'd probably rip him a new one. Come on, I'm unbeatable. I'd take him for 10 rounds and I'd not lose. No, I'm joking. I don't even. I'll just leave that conversation there. BBIG Roblox false breakout on the minute chart. Yeah, I mean obviously I'm not gonna sit here and wait. Sit in a short when they're talking about her buying more Roblox. I'm just gonna step away from that, and we'll get back in that trade later on in the day if we need to. Number one stock on the day for me, so I'm not even complaining. It is what it is. ISPO at $63. Sheesh, man. Here we go. Is it gonna halt one more time here? Do I just get into one of these halts or something? I already missed a bunch of these halts. If it does halt here, where does it open? That's the question too. So like, I'll take a small long. I'll take a small long on a halt. That's the best I can do. ISPOW, yeah, that is true. ISPOW are the warrants that we could also watch. Man, this is nuts. But but the halts are the game though. The halt is the game. Here we go. Here comes the halt. Is it gonna be a fake halt? It's gonna be a fake halt, without a doubt. That was way too easy for a fake halt over there. Man, why am I even looking at this stock? Nah, I'm not taking this halt. I'm not taking this halt. Prad, you're not taking this halt. Prad, all right, you're not taking this halt. I'm gonna end up taking this halt. I'm moving away from that one just so I don't take that halt. Jesus Christ. All right. Thank Miss V. Will be great to watch it next time. Yeah, is she on every Thursday?
Yep,
Thursday
at 2:55.
2:55. Daniela Shea. Stick to your plan. It is part of my plan to take those plays, but at the same time, I'm just being a chicken because that stock is too nuts. ISPO is just too nuts. I can't bring it in myself to take that. I mean, look, we already halted a bunch of times today, so I can't think that the next halt is gonna be as juicy as the last few halts were or weren't. But that being said, volume's picking up on this stock, and that's when the games are gonna start being multiplied on this stock. So because of that, just gonna have to be hands off on this one. I think I got a bad read on Roblox over there, man. I know I should have just stayed. I had no size, but I just closed it because I didn't want Aunt Kathy to destroy me over there. So I whatever. It is what it is. We're profitable. We'll take our money. If it does get back above 56, though, we'll get on the short side one more time. Do not use Jesus Christ's name in vain. I'm sorry, that is true, but I'm not a Christian. I don't believe in religion. I do believe there's a superpower, so I don't have to follow those religious rules. Haha! I tell my mom the same thing every time she tells me something stupid like that.
Okie dokie, no politics, no religion,
That's true,
only
that's true.
trading and money cash. By the way, you mentioned that juicy halt.
Juicy halt.
And we have educational video. You see, Neil is bold in here. How do you like it? So I'm gonna send you the link, guys. Stock holds trading real life examples. I just sent you on the chat. So maybe like because there is actual strategy on how to trade stocks on holds to make them profitable. So go check out this video.
So this was
After.
the juicy halt that I played on DWAC, and obviously you guys remember if you were watching this this day on the stock market, it halted at around $40 and it opened at like 175. So like that was just an insane trade that I had that day. I still lost for words. I still have a shoe that I drank a shoey out of, and I put down the DWAC trade on that shoey, and I have it saved to the side now. So that's gonna be on my mantle whenever I have my big office or a big mansion. It's gonna be sitting there in my trophy floor with the DWAC shoe or any other shoeys that I ever end up taking in the future. And we have a rule here: every time we make a certain milestone in our trades, we have to take a shoey. So thank you, Adam, for starting that, you crazy maniac. ISPO halted down at $55. It's halted on the way down now. Insane. So let's go check this stock out. Downwards halt, theoretical auction price 58.35, halted at 55.52. So if you're short in this halt, you're getting screwed right now. That's all I'm seeing. You're getting screwed if you're short in the stock. Are you, what do you think about LUMN? Let me go check out if LUMN is doing any volume to begin with, and I'm going to guess no. Oh, okay, it's doing decent. 8 million shares, not bad at all. What is it? Flat on the day. Let's go check on the dailies. That's not the chart I want to be using. LUMN. LUMN on the dailies. Looks like we're pretty much at support at $9.72 or so. Bouncing off of that, obviously. What is the low today? $9.72. Look at that. Wow, okay. So on the dot, hitting the low from 2 days ago and bouncing from there to pretty much trade sideways over here, I guess. So not a whole lot going on this stock. Caesars don't fear the Reaper. Not sure what that even means. Kathy is so wrong on Roku. They will never be landing TV operating system. I mean, theories are great. Substance is all that matters. When does DWAC news come out? Yeah, we don't know. No crystal ball on that side, brother. No crystal balls. We don't have no crystal balls, and nobody has a crystal ball. Shui makes me think of Daniel Ricciardo. Hey, you're right. I mean, he is Australian, and the Aussie started it. Aussie. Oi, oi, oi. So they did start the whole culture of taking Shui's. Tai Tuivasa, another Aussie over there who's an absolute legend. Is she still talking? Yes, she's still talking. We see a return to inflows, she says. So, yeah, she's still talking over there. Let me do this real quick. Is there a chance to get this on here live? CNBC Live. That's the Indian one, bro. I don't want the Indian one. Let's go check out the Indian one. Yes, sir. What are they talking about? Anyone read these? I don't even know how to read Indian anymore, bro. My goodness, I forgot how to read Hindi. Oh, man. I actually learned Hindi up to like grade 7, and I can't even read a single word. That sucks.
I like Burberry scarf.
Burberry scarf? Oh, I see that. It looks like your scarf.
I should wear one on the show too, then.
It looks like the one that you and Greg have. That's
right.
Jokes. I didn't even notice it. CNBC TV. It's called CNBC TV. Okay, thank you. Do I go to the website CNBC TV, or is it just CNBC TV over here? Do I just do this? Something like this?
Right. While you do this,
Yeah, I'm not doing this.
Dodd Froten is asking, is Miss V back? Yes, I'm back. Actually, no, she left in Russia. This is her clone. Hi, my name is Victoria.
What did you do with Miss V?
She has some business in
Bring
Russia.
her back.
She said, I'm going to be instead of her for now.
Oh, did I type it wrong? Is that what you guys are talking about? Did I type it wrong? Okay, analysts have been cherry picking our data points. Yeah, they're just shorting the crap out of you, Kathy. Let's be real. Let's just keep it how it is. Hook was a stock moving yesterday, so let's go check out what Hook is doing today. As predicted, absolute lack of volume, dead. Look at that volume spike from yesterday till today, insane. So if we go to Hook over here on the 1 year, look at yesterday's volume, 176 million shares, and today you're gonna go immediately back to 5 million, 1 million, no million. Like, okay. How does feel about Valeriia? Blah 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 blah. That's too political for me to answer, so I'm gonna ignore that question. This is your Ex Machina twin. Ah, that's a good movie. If you're not seen it, that's a good movie. I need more bangs. Yeah, that's the different show. That's not this show. The bangs are on the different shows, my friend. PayPal bang indeed. Yeah, your PayPal is banging, isn't it? Bang bang, baby. Let's go all the way to the north side. PayPal coming in clutch for you on the longs. I think you were off by like 3 pennies on your stop. That's insane. So good job on your stop over there. 4 likes equals V black hair.
Super
4K
chat
like.
for
Oh,
Mike
sorry.
Rihan. And indeed, Prad 4K likes, V black hair. No, come on. It's too much.
Why, you don't like your black hair?
I mean, I was like, originally, my original hair color is the same as my eyebrows, like
Yeah.
ashy brown color. And I like trying to get to the perfect blonde, like for, I don't know, like 10 years. And now to go back to black, I can buy a black wig and just say everyone.
That's true.
Those black
That's
hair.
true. And less work too.
True.
Right?
Why didn't you buy just a wig? Man on the overboard?
See, I don't know. Yeah, why didn't I think of that? Now you tell me this?
No, I don't know. Like, guys, pink hair, easy. Purple hair, easy. Rainbow hair, easy. Just not black, please. 4K likes and choose any color except for green. Green? I don't know. I look so awkward with green hair.
Swear the wig you have, the Halloween wig.
That
not
one
the
is
Halloween.
good, yeah.
Was it Halloween? Yeah.
I was Starbucks mermaid.
Yeah. ISPO climbing again. No shot, bro. What is going on this stock? Oh, well, it's not going past where it was previously. I thought it was like going to $100 or something. I was going to lose my mind if it was. But what is actually moving? What is actually going on this stock? I need to know the information now. Like it's been way too much where I don't know what's going on this stock, and that's probably why it stopped me from even making a trade. A bunch of people saying they have good risk management, and then ISPO comes along and tests that thesis. That's a good comment right there. What is actually going on? Is there anything that's going on that we can find? Any news? People talking about Reddit, a bunch of Reddit DD, so none of that matters to me. What is this? Inspirito, blah, blah, blah. Approved merger, company called Inspirito. Subscription travel service that allows subscribers to book trips easily through its network of luxury hotels and manage vacation homes. Company offers trips to more than 240 destinations. This is a short and a half tomorrow. This is... What? Nah.
What's going on?
No, this is such an easy short tomorrow. Like, I'm coming in tomorrow and I'm just paying for whatever it costs and I'm just going short. This company looks like it has nothing going on for it. What?
While you're on ISPO, we've got a super chat from Sean and for ISPO from Mitchell Williams. Thank you, Mitchell. Tell Sean to spin the money on ISPO. We love that animation. I hope soon we'll have our animation back.
Hopefully. Fingers crossed. Fingers crossed. Kathy with CNBC says supply side inflation. Okay. Where are we going to? Long Facebook 213 with the stop 2124. Could work out. Let me go check out Facebook over here. Where's my low? 212.36 is my stop. So I would much rather get a fill closer to that instead of getting a fill right now, because that way I can take more size. So I'm not chasing this entry. I'm just gonna let it go lower and then take the fill. If it doesn't give me that lower entry fill, then that's fine. We're not gonna complain about it. You know, everything's Gucci, all Gucci.
Chill. Guys, I hope you noticed we have a little bit like I'm day, Prad is night. Prad is
I'm gonna
Netflix
go
and
wash
chill
real
now.
quick.
Sure. Meanwhile, guys, I'm out of my long trade on Tesla. I'm super satisfied with it. Again, I got long at 889, then 891, 892, I believe, and 893. So beautiful. I like that. And again, I like my last out because stock went all the way down where I picked it up for the long position. And in general, I'm in love with Tesla today. It gave me both short and long opportunities. I'll zoom out a little bit. So here in the morning, I had nice short trade, and now I had a pretty nice long trade. And again, I had some kind of mistake in here. I thought I have more shares than I actually had. So here I thought I'm scalping out of my short trade. But no, I bought more shares. And again, luck is on my side with Tesla today. Stock went back to the upside and I didn't lose anything. So yay, let's go Tesla. QQQ is moving back to the downside, guys, now, back and forth, down 1.76%. I actually wonder if Tesla will break this 8870-ish level today. hopefully we will be able to get back to VWAP and have more long opportunities. What's a good long entry for Tesla? Christopher is asking. Well, Christopher, I found this level, like it didn't break this 887. I waited a little bit when it kind of get more confident about that level and got into long, and it worked perfectly fine for me. So if I were you, maybe I would stick to this 887 level and see if it breaks to the downside, or on the opposite will go higher. But we can take a look at higher time frame on Tesla to see maybe more. So we are here right now. So yeah, this 882 level also. We'll see. Again, like depends on the Nasdaq and where it will bring the markets. And also, guys, while Prad is away, we can take a quick look broader at S&P 500, down 1.17% for S&P. Everybody knows that it's a red name, so maybe we can concentrate on green names in here. Cisco is up almost 4% due to good earnings report. Hasbro is also up almost 4%. Hasbro has news. Activist investors ALTA Fox nominates candidates for election to company's board. And also we have a few real estate positive names. Marathon Oil is also positive on earnings, and also Credit Suisse raised target price for Marathon from 19 to 21. Other than that, a lot of negativity still.
Thank you, Miss V.
Here he is. Did you wash your hands?
Never. That's for clean people. Dash going back in the money for me. Let's go, baby. Keep on rocking. Don't start going back to the downside now that the market's coming back down, okay? Roblox, darn it, I got shook out thanks to Aunt Kathy. Gam over there shook me out of my trade. Thank you, Gam. But you know what I need you to do is go push that. Talk about Palantir, please, Gam, so I could go long on Palantir. But we'll wait to see whenever that happens. Obviously, AMD coming back down one more time, man. I think this VWAP is holding really well, so I'm gonna try taking out some more shares at VWAP once we get there, 115, and trying to hold some size for that move to 113. Looks like that 111 that I've been praying for from yesterday and today, we're not gonna get that, but you know, obviously we still got quite a bit of time left. The volume should be picking up in the market because lunchtime's coming to an end, and when lunchtime comes to an end, you'll see people coming back from their expensive lunches and start making more trades in order to make more money to make up for their lunches that they just paid for. So be ready for volume to start getting pushed across the market. Right now, looks like market is already headed to the downside while we're talking about it. So that kind of scares me for my Doordash long, that is. So here's your ES. ES coming down, but still, man, that 4420 level sticking as a resistance really hard and not letting the ES going above it. But let's see if there's support on the downside at 4410. If we're playing between this 10-point range on the ES, then it could just mean that we have a little bit more sideways action in the market before we decide what direction we want to go for today.
Prad, guess what?
1K likes!
Yoo-hoo! Thank you, family. You're the best. We appreciate it so much. Right?
1K by 1 o'clock. Yeah. I'll take
Coincidence?
it. I'll take it.
I don't think so.
Coinkydink. ISPO has to drop back to the gap. Up price of 114.22. ISPO has to do a lot of things, but will it do it is the question. And do you have the energy to sit in a trade and watch it do something that you thought it should do but didn't do? That's the big question right there. So that's why I'm staying away from it. I'm not paying $7 a share short today, but tomorrow I might just do it because of what I just saw in this company. They're trying to battle Airbnb over there with a bunch of stuff. They're trying to do some TripAdvisor stuff too. Like a lot of these companies end up. You see what happened with TripAdvisor, right? Where is Trip? TRIP. Didn't they have their earnings today?
Tripping. TripAdvisor?
Yeah.
It had before open, I believe.
Yeah. So Trip, like, where's the glory days of Trip, right? $64, blah blah blah, and then 111. Now we're back to IPO ranges, right? So no shot this company is even valuable. Like, no one's heard of that company before, and it's doing those kind of moves. Like, come on, dude. At least I haven't heard that company before, and if you guys have, maybe you guys can correct me. What is this company name again? Investo something?
Invesco?
ISPO?
Invesco.
Invesco?
Yeah.
Yeah. Who even knows this name right now? Oh, Insperdo. Insperdo. No, Insperdo, sorry. Insperito. What do you guys do, bro? Give
But
me
real quick,
yeah,
while
go for it,
you're
go for it.
looking for that, TradeX Freedom on the chat says, my P Pro 8 Cube coming on Monday. Excited to work with Day Trade the World. Welcome to the Day Trade the World family, TradeX Freedom. So happy to hear again. Remember, we have plenty of educational videos on this channel, and we post new educational videos every morning. So you're more than welcome. I'm pretty sure it's gonna help you a lot. And again, guys, I remind you to trade with Day Trade the World. You don't have to join existing floor. You can even buy the box as TradeX do and create your own office at your home. What are you looking for vacation or what?
So this is what they do. They just own a bunch of these fancy houses and they rent them out. You're telling me people are normal people are going to these expensive houses to rent? Bro, I'm just gonna Airbnb something for dirt cheap. What is this, for rich people? Come on, man. And you're telling me this stock is gonna do what it's doing right now? If this is not a short, then I don't know what is. This is nuts. Look at this website. The website's so... Oh, I can't even talk right now. My brain is being fried. I'm losing brain cells looking at this company right now. This is such a free short tomorrow. Oh my god, I can't wait for tomorrow at this point. They have 420 houses. Yeah, I think that number didn't just come up on by fluke over there. Like, you know, come on, man. It's gonna halt again? No, most likely though. We'll see. It's going up. It just created a new high a day. 6 million shares traded. $68 so far on the up move. All the way from what, $14 today? What did it open at? $14.19. Like, come on, bro. Like, is there a bigger scam being played? People, didn't someone say that crypto market is a scam? What is this? What are we looking at right now? What? My brain's being fried. It's absolutely fried. Like, I can see smokes coming out of my ears right now. Oh, Dash actually hit me my target. Let's go, Dash. Dash actually coming in clutch over here. Number 2 stock on the day. Let's see how far we can take Dash. Dash was actually negative. The only negative stock for me, so no longer any negative stocks. AMD could be negative for me, but I'm not worried about that stock. Yeah, you know that. DWAC went to 175, yeah, but then immediately came back the next day to what, $50, $20? Like, what are you talking about? That's why DWAC was such a good short at 150. If you shorted DWAC at 150 on that very same day, you went all the way down to like what, $20 on that day? Come on, man. Come on. ISPO is nuts. This is too nuts. And DWAC, the amount of volume DWAC had was a lot more than this stock. Like, this stock is actually like lacking volume for what it's doing over here. Okay. AMD needs to break 116 and hold. 4th or 5th try here. Yeah, AMD has been struggling at that 116 level for a while. Obviously, my stop being 116.77, but technically I'm not going to do 116.77 because the nice even round number above that is 117. So we'll do the break of 117 if we do want to get stopped. I just looked at the lights and now I can't see anything. Oh my goodness. I can't see anything right now. Okay. Oh, AMD, yeah, there we go. It's still, like I said, it's still struggling near that 116 barrier. But if that 116 does go, I'm most likely wrong on this trade now because obviously we see some strength coming in for AMD, and it's looking good for the long side for AMD. ISPO 71, yeah, we just looked at ISPO, made a new high at 70 something. Is it gonna halt again? No, nah. It's gonna try to, but we don't know. And look at the spread, man. Look at the spread. It was $1 right there. The spread was literally $1. I gotta love it. You gotta love it. Ross is murdering ISPO. Who's that guy? I don't even know. Yeah, we don't know whom. We don't know anybody named that guy. We don't know anyone. Never heard of that person. The only people I know is Sean, Neil, Brendan on YouTube who trade stocks at extreme level. Anyone else is irrelevant, okay? Irrelevant. Pump and dump. Yeah, it could be a pump and dump. USPT getting crushed. Let's go check out UPST. Look at this daily candle. USPT did go up to 150 yesterday, I believe. Yeah, it did go to 150. Today we went a little bit higher than 150 to 156. But look at that rejection area near 160 level. 160, obviously, if we could, you know, test that level tomorrow or something, I'll look for a short. But today, obviously, coming back into yesterday's range and trying to find support in front of 145 or even 140 if we do go down there all the way down to 140. BMO $3 swing trade. Ooh, Bank of Montreal. BMO. Let's go check out BMO. You made a $3 trade. It's kind of looking illiquid on the New York side. Maybe we can go on the TSX. TSX, same amount of volume, surprisingly, or a little bit more, not too much. So BMO kind of going sideways, channeling down only 0.5%. Let's go check out XLF on Amex, which is your financial ETF. Let's go see what the financial ETF is doing today. Down 1.58%, kind of playing along with the overall market there. Roblox getting a nice pump up north now. Let's go Roblox. Not like I'm in it or anything. I'm obviously out of this trade. I'm not holding it, but it touched 55 and immediately went up a whole dollar to 56 there. So a lot of buyers near 55 still. And I'm glad that I'm actually closed this trade. You know, I was a little unhappy that I closed it, but overall I'm very happy with the way I traded Roblox because you know, I got the read right on this one yesterday and today. It would have been nice to go back to yesterday's low where I would have flipped long again like I did yesterday, but can't complain too much. You know, you can't complain about everything. You take some wins where the wins are being offered and you walk away with them. Walk away with them. What happened? ISPO. Oh my goodness. Now it's $10 a share to short the stock. So it just keeps on going higher and higher. If the price goes higher, does it mean more people want it? Right? Yeah, so the demand is going up for more people want to short the stock and it's going crazier. So man, it did a fake halt on 79 and then it dumps, says Neil. So Neil's watching this stock like a hawk right now. Absolutely just eyes glued, all eyes on ISPO. You want to say something, ISPO? Yeah, so Neil might have some interesting points for you guys over there because he's actually watching and trading it. Me, I'm too scared to even touch this stock right now. 100%. Oh, you're not trading it? Oh, okay. Let's go. Prad dash hit 14.25. Yeah, I'm still holding it. You know, I don't have any shares left. It's either we go back to VWAP or we go back all the way down where I reload and we hit the okay, I'm reloaded. In the meantime, let's go check out what Neil has to say about ISPO.
So, like, I'm not paying that. I'm not paying $1. It's ridiculous, these prices. Like, for 100 shares, you're going to pay $1,000. And it keeps on going up, which is, at some point, it just becomes a little bit unreasonable. That said, I mean, at $100, fine. At this point, I don't see how you can engage in a long trade up here. Maybe there's people that are interested in that kind of a thing. When the rug pull happens, let's not forget, when it halted down, they held the stock for not 5 minutes, not 10 minutes, but a half an hour. That could easily happen again. So I get it. You don't want to fight it too hard. There's no one forcing anybody to take a short position. What I would be looking for if we could trade it is a breakout, one more halt to the upside, and then maybe just off of like 100. But you got to try to catch it on the way back down. If you're trying to take profit, I'm looking at the buyers here at 66, 67. That breaks, and I feel like the floodgates would open up. What ended up happening at that 79 fake halt is it came down, looked like it was trying to go into a down halt, and then someone bought it back up. And then it smacked down again, and then someone bought it back up. So in both directions, you actually have people executing out of their trades when it hits a potential halt band. So that's a hard thing to see unless you're looking at the level 2, see the offer or the bid build up. Quick, dirty way to be able to tell. If your minute candle is over 10%, and you start to see one side get stacked, an offer if it's going down, a bid if it's going up, then it's going into that halt state. So ISPO, crazy. I think it's a lot easier to try and find some of these names that are actually holding levels. You're on Doordash at 100. PayPal's trying to double bottom. Both of those are in a nice channel for risk to reward. That's a more reasonable trade, but yeah, ISPO is going to have our attention here. I just hope it's actually reasonable to pay for locates tomorrow. I have a suspicion that it might not be, Prad.
Yeah, 100%. I have that thought lingering in the back of my head that it's not going to be cheap tomorrow. But man, this is way too good of an opportunity to not have. I'm actually going to put it on a sticky note here to remember the stock tomorrow. ISPO. So we're gonna check on the stock, check on the locates first thing in the morning, see if we can get a nice position going on that stock, because it's too juicy to not be in it tomorrow at least. Bought 5K more Palantir shares today. Let's go, Henry. Obviously you're trying to increase your net worth over there, so you could keep on giving me some dank funds, right? Is that what it is, right, Henry? the donation that you keep on coming in with the dank funds or whatever. Now I need Aunt Kathy to hook it up. Yeah, 100%. Is she still talking? I guess not. Yeah, she's not there. What are they talking about? More aggressive tightening. JP Morgan sees 7 hikes in 2022. Oof, that news article on CNBC should be painful for the markets. So let's see if that's going to bring down the stocks a little bit harder. Roblox popped up and then immediately popped back down. So it's really stuck in this range between 56 and 55. We'll see what happens. If 56 gets taken out, there's a possible move on the upside for Roblox. But I'm still bearish off of the earnings report. So I don't think we go all the way through 57 if we do break 56. So we'll see what happens over here. 7 hikes never going to happen. Yeah, obviously that's just their analysts predicting it. They're guessing it. And what you're doing also is guessing at the end of the day. That's all everyone's doing. We're all guessing. And our guesses help us take the bets. And our bets help us put the money on the table. And if the bets are wrong and if our guesses are wrong, then it is what it is, right? You take the L. You do the L dance from Fortnite and you move on with your life. And that's the beauty of the market. That's a bunch of theories, bunch of ideas, bunch of opinions clashing with each other, and at the end, more than one is going to be right? More than one is going to be right, but someone's going to be right at the end of the day, and only time will tell. Only time will tell. I hope you're not the funds I send. They were earmarked for specific use. I can't say the word right now. What's going on with me? Misappropriating the funds I send. No, 100%. Those funds go for exactly the use you funded for, my friend. Don't worry about that. Ask your boy JC. Who's JC? Oh, Jesus Christ. My boy Jesus Christ. Yo, JC. What's up, homie? What am I asking, JC? ISPO. We have to go back to ISPO here. Let's go check out ISPO. JC, what's up, JC? The homie, big boy JC, all up in the sky. All right, so ISPO getting ready to go test the high day again. The 79 break was a weak break, 79.06 obviously, and as Neil mentioned, a fake break or a fake halt came in over there 3 times, and then the dump came in almost $4 or $5 dump from there. No, more than that. That was a $13 dump. My goodness. Okay. All up in the sky. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. About the future markets, bro. Oh, yeah. JC, about the future markets. Where we going to fund rug pull was the worst 5K. Oh, man. I'm sorry about that, my friend. Yeah, those games are hard. It's hard for me to even play those games myself, so I stay away from it. It's harder for someone to pull the rug on AMD than it is to pull on a low float stock. That's why it's easier for me to go trade your AMDs, your Robloxes, and your big names instead of these low floats, because like I said, it's way easier to game on these low floats. Why don't you paper trade ISPO for fun? Because I'm on a live account right now, and I have actual money on the table that I have to manage. I have to log off this platform to go onto the paper money platform. So if I do that, then who's gonna manage my trades, right? So I can't do that, and that's why I'm not gonna be touching it. If I wasn't in trades right now, guaranteed I would go have fun on the paper platform to go trade with an ISPO, because not only do we don't have to pay for shorts on there, we don't have to even worry about anything. So I'd go crazy trading that stock to learn that setup a little bit. I love you beyond what. I love you, Bay, and if eek rig. What does that even mean, Marlon? It's cool, man. You live and you learn. Yes, always. You always live and learn. That's the best way to look at it, actually. And I thank you for saying that. I did have something to say about this. You know, you can. It's all about perspective. You could look at it in, oh my God, I just lost, and I hate this market. This market sucks. Blah 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 blah. Or the other perspective, which is, oh my God, I just lost. How can I not lose next time? How could I win next time? How could I rectify this mistake so I don't repeat it? And evolve myself from there on. So there's this perspective changes that everyone needs to employ into their own trading, at least in my opinion, right? If you are sitting there blaming market makers, blaming overall market, blaming everything but yourself for a loss, that's the problem right there. That's the number one problem you need to fix in your trading, which is stop blaming other people. Stop blaming other reasons. Blame yourself and try to look for the reasons that are giving you those losses. PayPal stock. Your coworker said it's bottom. Can you elaborate? I'm not sure what you're talking about. I don't think anyone said it's a bottom, and obviously I can't elaborate on something that I didn't hear anyone saying. Blaming your keyboard. Yeah, like I blame my keyboard before. Oh my God, it's my keyboard's fault. But no, I fat fingered and I made the trade myself. It's my fault. Never good when Welsh wizarded around. What is going on, Marlon? Are you good on me? Prad, make the market move. Wow. All right, let's go take a look at some positions on the board from the other side. So Palantir, number one volume leader, 98 million shares traded on Palantir. It looks like it's time to add Palantir to your board now. You know, re-add Palantir to my bag. Sorry, we'll see where Palantir is. Palantir has a lot of sideways action today. Obviously, the earnings report destroyed it a little bit. Came all the way to the downside. Support off 12. If you're following Sean on the Sticky Note Nation over there, he gave you the easiest trade you could probably find today. 10-cent risk to the downside, maybe for a possible 60-cent move. So you're basically 5-to-1 risk to reward over there. Like, come on, man. Like, you find this trade 5 times a day, you smash that 5 times a day. Depending on your size, obviously, you're gonna make a ton of money on this trade. So beautiful call out by Sean, as always, on the Sticky Note. And if you're not following it, just type in ! Sean in the chat, and then you'll find this guy right here. And then all you have to do is go to the bottom. What is this? Oh, is this someone's computer? That's pretty cool. Look at that curved monitor. Ooh, I like that. I like that a lot. Sound bar. They got a stream deck over here. We got a streamer alert. There's a streamer alert. We got a stream deck over here. We got a calculator. We got a coffee mug with a sippy cup in there. A wired Microsoft mouse. Here, I'll give you an advice. These two needs to be replaced, please. These two needs to be replaced immediately. That keyboard is going to be very troublesome in the future, and that mouse is also going to be troublesome in the future. Invest in a mechanical keyboard and invest in a little bit of a higher quality keyboard. Besides this, I love the setup. I love everything about this beautiful setup over here. But what we wanted to talk about is this guy right here, the Sticky Note Nation, Palantir, blah, 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 blah. All I'm looking for is $12 open. Key, bang. That's all that matters, man. That's all that matters. Yes, those keyboards suck. Yeah, I mean, I wouldn't say suck. I just dislike them because that's, you know, I don't want to make fun of other people's setups, but I dislike those keyboards. Like a gamer keyboard would be a little bit better for you. Just trust me. You don't want like a clicky green keycap keyboard because that's really annoying too. Like maybe a non-clicky, a linear red keycap. Something that doesn't make too much noise. If you want to go deeper into it, like lubricate your keycaps too, it'll be way better for yourself in the long run. Trust me. I myself, because of the noise factor, I'm using a mech membrane, so it's supposed to imitate a mechanical keyboard. With the feel, but it's still a membrane keyboard at the end of the day. So I still hate this keyboard. I actually might want to break this keyboard so I have an excuse to buy a new one. But you know, that's just me being a little childish about my peripherals and whatnot. But look at this mouse though. This beautiful gaming mouse that I started with. This was my first ever gaming mouse, G903 Logitech. I love Logitech mice and Logitech keyboards. They're beautiful. ISPO at $82. Oh my god. What is going on? Are we going to halt anytime? Yeah, this is halt coming in right now. 82.64 halt zone. Can we see some bid stacking? Nope, bids are not stacking. Fake halt. Fake news. Fake news. Can we see it? Bids are not stacking, but it might just end up halting with a really small size. Very, very small size halt might end up happening very soon. ISPO Prad, yes, I just pulled up ISPO. We'll see where this one is gonna go. AMD coming back to the downside, so I'll just take more profits over here on AMD. Bring me that order. We're gonna take that. Thank you, AMD. So it did halt. There we go. 83.63 ended up halting. I didn't see how much size was on the bids while it halted, and now the theoretical auction price 84. Just get in on the halts. Just get in on the halts. What is this? Just get in on the halts and forget it. My goodness, this stock is too nuts today. Tesla almost at $880. Let's go check out Tesla. Tesla broke that triple bottom that we were at. So obviously, let's see where the next support level could be on Tesla. I think I had something mapped out. No, I don't have anything mapped out. So we're just going to leave Tesla alone to see whatever it wants to do and come back at a different time for that one. ANGH halt. ANGH. ANGH did halt. It's a 3 million shares move so far. It's a $10 stock halted at $16.87 and indicating open at $18. Is today the day of the halts or something? All these halt stocks are doing crazy moves today. Took a reverse short on PayPal. Well, congratulations if it's working for you. I'll check out for you. I'll pull up PayPal for you, I guess. You did go long PayPal earlier, and your stop was $16.77. I think you were in the money almost $1 per share at one point, right? Or maybe at least 50 cents. Obviously, I guess that wasn't enough, and you flipped short on the break of 106.77. Smart man. And let's see how low can PayPal go, obviously. In my mind, I'm still waiting for the $100 level to see if we can go long on PayPal. We're not too far from there. Why don't I just go short? I don't know. Too many questions. My stomach is rumbling. FAM, KO, FAM, Coca-Cola, Trust. Okay, let's go check out KO. KO, New York. Yep, KO. What is KO doing? Oh, wow. Coca-Cola. Papa Buffett is for sure happy watching a stock move in the money right now. There's a rumor that he eats McDonald's and drinks Coke every day. I'm not sure if he still does it at this current age and time that he's living in. But obviously, Coca-Cola. I love Coca-Cola. I can test the difference between Coca-Cola, Pepsi, Thumbs Up, the Compliments brand, the No Frills brand, the Kirkland brand, all of it. I can blind taste test Coca-Cola from all the garbage ones, and that just goes to show how good Coca-Cola is. One of the best companies in the world out there, and I love Coca-Cola. So today we're moving up north. New high a day. 61.70 is 73 is the high a day for Coca-Cola. Is ANGH worth buying? Depends on what your strategy is on ANGH. You know, if you know what your ins are and your outs are, then who cares what anyone else tells you? According to me, a $9 float halting on the way up, not a trade that I want to be involved in for a day trade. But if you see a strategy that's good for you over there, you know, recent IPO, resistance at $19, 3 million shares traded so far, volume picking up right now after lunchtime coming to an end, which is a good thing. But no trade for me, and most likely no shares to short this stock either, unless you pay for it. Does Prad actually breathe? Yeah, sometimes I wonder that myself. I think I'm like a superhuman or something. I don't know what's going on. Like just nonstop speech, verbal action over here. It's like I'm a Martian or something, right? Man, what I'm upset. Look at Roblox now. I'm upset. Kathy Wood, why did you have to do this to me? It is what it is. Whatever. Roblox going back to the downside, breaking 55 now. So that 55 support's gone. That resistance at 56/VWAP is still strong. And I guess we're going to go to 53 now. Watch it go to 53. I'm going to really break my keyboard on something. $1 in the up move and half a cent on the down move PayPal. Hey, good job. Yeah, I do remember seeing it was $1 in the money. I was just confused if it was. I don't want to be incorrect. ISPO will crash hard eventually. The key word you use there is eventually. We don't know when the eventually is. Everyone's waiting patiently for that eventual time. Rivian, Kathy is a huge world of her and more to come for her. Yeeks. Rivian, let's go check out Rivian. RIVN going to the downside now, so pretty much giving back all of the move that Rivian had off the open. I think Miss V mentioned that they got the little bump coming off of the Fisker earnings report over there, so coming down obviously Rivian. Let's see if we can find support in the pre-market range of $65, $64. I did want to short 70s, but I was too scared because of the up move that we had on Rivian. So I guess scared money make no money. Has anyone heard that new track by YG? Scared money make no money. So no money for me on Rivian.
Definitely will check it out. And talking about EV makers, I came back to see the Tesla guys broke that 887 level to the downside. And downtrade for Tesla since the opening trades below VWAP. QQQ is now down 2.01%. Negative day.
So someone said BTC is getting banged, and bro, why did you have to tell me that, man? BTC now going to 41K, almost back to 40K on BTC. What is going on? Obviously that regulation use over there scaring everybody, scaring the jabises out of people. So we'll see if that regulation use is gonna hurt BTC or help us out. And when is that BTC news again? Oh, these pictures came out great. Can we show them? Can we show these pictures? You guys look amazing. Yes? No? Maybe so? Nah? Okay. Teaser. Oh, yeah? Okay, sheesh. President Biden to issue, when is it? Next week. So Brandon posted in our chat. I was just scrolling up to see where the news was. So next week, sometime next week, that news will drop for regulation. Long FB with the stop, 213, risky but worthy. Let's see what happens. Prad looking at nudies. No. That's some teaser pictures coming. Not teaser, but you know. Yes, it's our website. You guys saw the pictures for our website that's being revamped over there. So they're taking new pictures, and man, these pictures look so good. The shot and Neil, are you guys wearing the same shirt?
Team for the win.
Yeah, I'll show Neil. Neil looks good. Look at this. Neil's hunched over, and then here's Sean. Tell me that doesn't look the same shirt, guys. Come on.
It is not same shirt.
And then Brandon coming in with the polka dot, looking good. Everyone's looking good over there. Next up is Miss V and me.
Wait, Brandon needs a glass of wine in his arm.
Brandon needs a glass of wine in his arm. Someone photoshopped that glass of wine in his arm over there. That'd be hilarious. AMD now number 2 stock of the day for me. Let's go. What's going on? Cracking to the downside. That's what we like to see. Roblox, man. Oh, I don't even want to look at this stock anymore. I'm gonna not look at Roblox. Blinders to that screen for me. Affirm broke 38. Insane. How low can Affirm go? Let's put a poll up, Miss V. Will Affirm go lower than 35 today?
Sure.
Actually, no. 35 is pretty low.
Give me the level.
Just pick a number. Pick 35, 36. Your call. 35.
It's not 37.
It's 37 now.
Let's go.
38. 38 is where it's at.
Will Affirm go lower than 36?
36. We'll go with 36. I like the way Miss V thinks over there. The reason why I was smashing the table or pounding the table is because here we go. Roblox going back to the lower day and actually taking out the lower day now, which is my trade that I wanted. And Kathy shook me out of my trade. I should have got back in. Why didn't I just get back in instead of just complaining about it? And see, that's the mentality that I was talking about earlier. I could sit here complain about it all day about how Kathy shook me out of my trade. Instead, I should be looking at myself, blaming myself over there. And why didn't I just get back in? It's not like I had any shares left anyways. I could have got back in over here. And if the stock popped on me, I could have got back in all the way to the top and really lean on the level that I was leaning on off the open. So a lot of lessons for me here, and actually notes that I'm going to put into my own notes when I'm making my journal entries for my trades. So instead of me sitting here and just blaming Kathy and CNBC and whatnot, I should be really pointing the finger to myself. AMD now, $1 in the money. Let's go AMD. I don't want to close a single share here. Let's keep on going. Actually, that's a really bad mentality. Let's just throw an order out, take that fill. Let's just cross over and take that fill out. Give me that order, and we'll hold the rest for the lower day. Let's see if lower day comes in to play another time. We are at VWAP now, so sorry. We did bounce below VWAP before near 114.50. So if 114.50 bounces again, there is a possible move back to 116, 117s on AMD. And that's why I'm scalping on the way down while I still have my core position for that lower day move in case it presents itself to me. Dash has not moved anywhere above $3 per share in the money for me. I kind of want to close my trade. Maybe I'll put a stop in profit target. If we go below 102, I will be closed out for profit. I'll throw that order out whenever I feel like, I think I have quite a bit of time for this trade to be played out still. So I'll just let it do that. ISPO below 40 for sure tomorrow, for real tomorrow. Yeah, I mean, could be even way worse than that. Could go all the way back to 10, but we'll see. Pre-market chatters are mostly super chatters, trading hours, few super chatters. What does that even mean? Do you think a firm will go lower than $36? I'll say it won't.
I also said it will.
You said it will?
Yeah.
Oh, I said it won't.
Oh, I said will.
Yeah. So you're winning though right now. If you have 13 votes and 100% says it will. Oh, it's changing. Okay, there we go. So people think it will. People think it won't. A lot of bears. You bears are waking up from hibernation. Looks like that's good, man. Good stuff. Winter's not over yet. But bears are waking up from hibernation and ready to claw the bulls across the face.
Unfortunately, winter is not over yet.
Sorry?
Unfortunately, winter is not
Unfortunately,
over yet.
winter's not over yet. Ms. V's not a fan of winter. Surprisingly, for someone who was born in India, in the extreme heat climate that I was born in, I hate heat. Like, I'm a big fan of cold. Like, my room stays colder than the rest of the house, and it's mandatory that way because, like, I hate heat. Maybe because, like, I just sweat a lot. That's it. So I just hate it.
But that's interesting. I'm from the super cold country.
Yeah.
And I always get cold, and I, like, put my heater on for maximum temperature. Yeah.
Okay. Opposites. Polar opposites.
That's
Maybe
so
we were
weird.
born in the wrong countries.
Right?
Born in the wrong countries. All right, rough draft, basic color, blah, 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 blah. All right. Hello to my fellow caps lock warriors. Hey, no caps lock warrioring, okay? Don't make me turn on Nightbot again and make you go crazy with Nightbots. Here, watch this. Go to Nightbot, Nightbot/regulars. No, Nightbot regulars. Go to spam protection. Don't make me turn this on, bro. Remember last time I turned on one of these protections, what happened? Everyone got banned for no reason. Don't make me turn this back on, okay? I'm joking. I'm not gonna do it. Miss V, you want to see who's the top chatter? Oh, look at that. Not you.
Henry Zach.
You're not. Oh, because you're on vacation. That's right. You were on vacation. Why don't I see top chatters? We usually see
top comment is Val.
No, top command is Val. They like to use your command more because they want to get your social media information, right? And then Neil,
Nightbot is just biased.
Nightbot bias for sure. Yes. Val first, Neil, Brandon, Discord, Justin, Sean, Prad. I'm all the way at the bottom. This is sad. This is very, very sad. I'm like right next to Socials and C-Ball and Bussin. Look at this. Bussin is just one count. But let's go see what the top chatters are. Henry, Frank, Valeriia, Evil, Dan Duval, Tyrone Bigums, and this is only for
Bam!
this is for the last February 10th till today. So about a week. This is only for the last week or so.
Guys,
Fun
I promise
info.
today I'll make a post on my Instagram, like my professional, because I still don't have a post in there. Let's see how many people follow me in there.
Yeah, go do !Val, guys, like we just said, and then obviously you will get the link, and then we all want to see what this first link is. It better be the picture of your dog.
As soon as my dog arrives,
Okay.
it will be, yeah.
Okay.
I should put, lost my voice. I should put picture of my dog on here in the chat.
Yes.
Right. So let's see. Here's TraderTV.Valeriia. I have 396 followers. Wow, almost 400 and 0 posts. Yeah, I promise today I will post my Tesla trade because why not?
Yes, sir. Let's see it.
Or maybe Tim will do good pictures for us. I will also post them.
Oh yeah, that's a good call. That's a good call. I need a good picture for my LinkedIn. My LinkedIn is just a blank
Yeah?
picture. It's hilarious. I have no professional pictures ever taken because obviously never had to. I always worked in environments where I just got to come in tech firms. You just come in like a hoodie all the time.
Yeah.
So I always worked in an environment where in kitchens when I was a line cook, go in a hoodie, change into a cook's clothes. When you're working in an IT firm, go in a hoodie, sit in a hoodie, and leave in a hoodie. So it never had the chance to take that. But here we go. Now we're getting there, advancing in our life a little bit. Dash, man, $4 in the money. Can I get a swish? We're like James Harden swish over here. Transfer me over to wherever James Harden got transferred over to. I'm the best over here. Just raining threes, baby. Swish. Come on, baby. Dash coming in with the money. Dash was the #1 down ticker for the day and is completely on the opposite spectrum now. Now the #3 trade of the day for me on Dash. Let's go. ISPO at 66. ISPO. Let's go check out where ISPO is. It is coming. I'm just taking more profits on AMD over there just in case it does rip all the way back again. And okay, so ISPO was at 66, but immediately back to $70. Man, the fact that we're above this halt price after having a down halt that opened nearly $20 the downside is pretty surprising to me. Like obviously I'm baffled, I'm lost of words, don't know what else to say over here for the stock. I've been at loss for words all day for this stock, so I don't know why I'm acting like it's something new. Why did you pick Dash? Doordash had earnings. That's why I picked Doordash. Doordash, after having the earnings report, obviously gave back a lot of its move off the opening drive itself. That 120 barrier, if you go to Doordash on the dailies, you'll see that barrier right here, that 116 barrier actually right here. Let's just bring that down to 116, right? Acted as a big wall for that stock. So look where the stock opened and look where it goes down all the way down to that support line down there. Granted, I did try to go for a long at 106 when I thought it was a double bottom long, but that double bottom long ended up being a fail, a losing trade for me. But my overall long that I actually wanted ended up being the winner for me. So that was the right trade, $100 long, and now we're going to see if we can get all the way back to VWAP or at least the double bottom where we rejected. So that should be a resistance if we do go back to 108, which is slightly above VWAP. Let's see how much of a move we have now. $4 and $1 on AMD, 2 pennies on Activision. Activision has been doing absolutely nothing all day, so it's kind of resident sleeper. Hey, the dog knows Valeriia. Cool. What? What'd you say, Console Wars?
No, we're gonna create an Instagram page for my dog.
Okay.
He's like, hey, the dog knows Valeriia.
Okay.
I will be a slave for that dog.
I could see you doing that. I have a lot of friends who love taking pictures of their dogs, and they have. I think my dog has his own page because of my sister-in-law.
Oh, I would love
I don't follow my dog, but my dog has his own.
wow.
Oh, you want me to find it? I'll find it right here. Hold up. Instagram. I'm pretty sure I don't even follow my own dog on this account. Coco
Wow, how dare you.
Ichibanya. Hey, I found him. There we go. Coco. There you go. That's my puppy. That's my little puppy. Look at this guy. On his birthday. On his birthday, we buy him little doggy cupcakes, and he sits beside his girlfriend. Where's his girlfriend? That's his girlfriend right there, Riley.
Even dog has a girl.
Yeah, he has a girlfriend, man, and they're the same age. You know, oh, that's me. That's him licking my face on my birthday.
It's so
Look at this, the dog.
sweet.
And that's on Canada Day. Yeah, it's my doggy. It's my doggo. That's my doggo. I love my doggo. I love walking him. Yesterday I went home. The first thing I did is no gaming, nothing. We're gonna walk this puppy first, and I had a blast. Trust me, you're gonna have so much fun just having the dog. It's
so exciting.
it's the best stress reliever.
That's what I say, anti-stress.
Yeah. Springer, yeah, you got that right. Wow, good job. It's a Springador. Good job, Marlon. Wow. Hey guys, you know what? Talking about pets, let's go do this. Talk about Discord for a quick second. Go join the Discord. People are posting their pet pictures over here. This guy caught a fish, bro.
What?
It's gonna die. Put it back. You don't. This guy's trying to kill his fish over here. What a guy, man. Don't kill your fishes. Here's my pet fish. He says. What a joker. Look at these two. What are they? Greyhounds? Are these the Doberman?
Wow. Doberman?
Yeah, they're Doberman, right? Yeah, he says the Doberman gang. His dog, his husky, is just staring out the window because you
So
got him trapped inside.
cute.
This is fake. This is fake. Look at these dogs over here knocked out. Oh, it's a cat on a dog. And I want to show Ripley with the glasses. Look at this guy. He's sitting
No
on a chair.
way.
You see this, right?
I do.
He has his own chair. He has his own glasses. Like this Ripley is living life.
Oh.
Ripley is living life. And then look, Ripley over here with the glasses again. That's a fake picture for sure. And then more pictures. So guys, do exclamation mark Discord. You'll get our Discord link. Go post pictures of your pets. We talk about gambling and we talk about gaming. We talk about stocks. So come join the party. Come join the family. And let's all have fun together. All right. Where are we going to next? We got about 25 minutes left in the market for market movers, that is. I have really nothing left to do on the market besides hold a couple of these trades. Dash now $5 in the money. Mwah, congratulations for anyone who has it. One of my biggest Momo trades ever. Here, right here, this is the one. I can't believe I'm actually holding some shares for this move. Wow, Prad. You're evolving. Looks like I'm the little Pikachu turning into Raichu right now. Is that the evolution of Pikachu?
Pikachu, Brad, real quick, people talk about this ANGH. It's halted on the way to the upside. Was up more than 100% also.
ANGH. Yeah, we were previously
really?
looking at it. I'll pull it up in a second. I'm just debating if I want to take off my last few shares, and I will actually. That's a $5 per share winner on Dash, and that's free money. So we'll take that and walk away with it. Thank you, Doordash. And the ANGH halted one more time. We're actually halted at 22.24. The previous halt was around 15, opened at 17, and now we're halting at 22, and looks like we're gonna open at 20. So we'll give it some time to see if it's actually going to open below the halt price or if it manages to find its way back above the halt price. ISPO above $70 right now is so dumb. I mean, I've been saying it's dumb like how long now? And one of the viewers actually said, "Hey, Brad, DWAC went to $100. What do you say about that?" So that thing, everything's dumb at this point. ISPO going full DWAC, says Mookie Wilson in the Discord chat. And yeah, you're right about that. We'll give you a thumbs up on that comment, Mookie. I don't know if you're in this chat today or not. It looks like that was at 1 o'clock. So that was about 30 minutes ago.
That's funny. Richard Fan on the chat says, I didn't know cats have thumbs. Guys, you see, even cats have thumbs. And we ask you to smash the like button.
And what do cats sound like, Miss V?
Meow.
Miss V's too cute. It's been an ongoing feeling. I'm just brushing my hair because I think we're getting ready for pictures over here. So I'm just brushing my hair to the side, doing a comb over like a good little Indian kid.
Eyebrows.
Eyebrows.
Right.
Yeah.
Now perfect.
All right. Platinum Prad blonde hair dye update next week. BTC under 40K. No. I want to cry, dude. Why? Why have you forsaken me? Anyone knows that song from System of the Down? Why have you forsaken? I think that's how it goes. Anyways, Bitcoin was under 40K for a second. No, it did. It's about to go under 40K at this rate. So this is the 5-minute chart. Look at the 5-minute chart on Bitcoin. It is crumbling, absolutely crumbling. AMC above 20 is when we saw it. What is it now? $19. Okay, AMC still rejecting off that $20 barrier. So let me show you my levels over here that I'm looking at on AMC. It's that. Ooh, looks like we did have a 21 high, but this is the level I was looking at, 2058. Today we went as high as 2016 or 2020. Yeah, 2021. Brad, you should have reloaded Dash. Lol, it was about to blow up. What do you mean it was about to blow up? Oh, down here at 102s? Yeah, I should have. I was debating it, but nah, it is what it is. That's a Bible verse, Prad? Yeah, I know. But I heard it by System of the Down. I forget what the song name is, but then I looked up the lyrics for that song, and then I found out that it was a Bible verse, and I connected the dots and so on. Keyboard virus spreading. Ooh. Oh, Chop Suey. There you go. That's the song name. Thank you, Goliath. Chop Suey. Wake up. Come on, look at a little makeup. Wake up. Miss V, do you know that song?
No.
No? Okay. I didn't picture you to listen to that genre anyways. It's cool.
Really?
No one would have thought that I listened to that genre too, so I'm sure people are surprised I actually know it. That's right. I used to listen to that genre back in the day, but now I'm all rap and hip-hop. That song used to be my alarm clock. Oh, I'm sure it was a lot of people's alarm clock. Wake up. Grandma, look at little makeup. ISPO 86, ISPO 90. You guys are nuts. $90 on ISPO. Why didn't I just take that 57 breakout long, dude? Why didn't I just take that 57 breakout long? I hate this stock. Opportunity for free money there when ISPO was halted down to 75. ISPO was at 250. Wow, okay, yeah. ISPO beast mode. Yeah, my mind is losing on this stock. I am lost for words. ANGH unhalted. Let's go check out ANGH. So it opened at 21.75. So basically opened below the halt price, and now it's ripping above the halt price. What is going on today with these stocks, man? Insane. Are we gonna take out this high over here? If we take out the 26 high, I'll try for a long on ANGH. Like, why not, right? Why not? The stocks are going nuts. All of these Hall stocks are going nuts, so why not? Make sure to smash the like button. Oh, I'm reading Nightbot. I'm an idiot. Roku. Roku. Let's go check out Roku. Roku coming to the downside one more time. And earnings after or before?
I believe after the market today, I believe.
That's right. You are correct. After the markets today for Roku. So we'll see whenever those numbers come in for these guys. And if they help it, do I even have to say my opinions about Roku before people start hating on my opinions on this? So I'll just leave Roku's opinions alone. You guys know how I feel about it, and it reflects in the stock market today. It reflects in the stock market today. ANGH. So I said if it takes out 26, I'll think about the long. But man, I'm scared to even touch these stocks. The games on these stocks are way too much. I can't trade them. I'm sorry, guys, I can't. I don't trade real floats. I would love to for you guys, but I'm not gonna do something that's not me, and I'm not gonna lose money doing something that's not me because that's the dumbest thing you could do. So I'm sorry, but for low floats, you guys are gonna have to wait for another 20 minutes so you guys can see what kind of games they can be played with on the closing show with Neil, Sean, Brendan. Why is ISPO rocketing? No, there is no reason for it. It is doing what it wants to. It is doing exactly what it wants to. Roku, like the other companies you talk about, trash. Yeah, exactly. Trash. Activision, trash. Roku, trash. Peloton, trash. Roblox, trash. EA, trash. Everything's trash. Miss V, not trash.
Oh, thank you.
Not trash.
I appreciate that.
Kangaroos, trash. No, I'm joking. Kangaroo traders, yeah, kangaroo traders indeed. It's running on premium gas. Ooh, it's got that 99-cent gas, not the 89-cent. Sheesh, the 99 premium gas, bro. I love it. AMC 93? 19 flat. Okay, yeah, AMC broke 19 now on the downside. Obviously, man, that short off 20 would be nice. We'll see where this one goes to. Let's look for some supports on the downside. Look for the dailies. I see $18 or something standing out. AMC. Ooh, yeah, that what are we looking at over here? Look at this high is what, $19. So that $19 should hold up. There's no way we break much further than that, right? Unless the market takes out and makes a new low a day. Question mark, question mark, question mark. I'm not gonna defend AMC 19. Sadly, I'm just not going to defend AMC. I like 1850. Yeah, Sean says he likes 1850 over there. So yeah, I'm not gonna defend 19. I'm gonna be a little more patient because market's at the low a day here. It's very possible that we take out the low a day and make a new low. So on that note, I don't want to be looking for longs just about yet. I'm gonna continue holding my shorts, which are actually $1.28 in the money right now. Hold up, wait a minute. Let me put some in it. I picked up some more ISPO for an ultra risky trade. I like it, bro. No risk, no Rari, right? No risk, no Ferrari. No risk, no McLaren. Scared money, make no money. So gotta take it. Risk it for the biscuit, as the children say. Risk it for the biscuit. Facebook. Where am I
Down
typing? Sorry, Miss V?
2%.
Down
to the
2% on Facebook. You are correct. You are correct. And actually, I think Facebook coming to my entries now. So let's zoom in over here. We actually took out that low. Never mind. 212 low getting taken out. Nah. We could look for. What did I just say? Didn't I say don't look for longs? And I'm talking about looking for longs. What's wrong with me? Whatever. We'll take this long. We'll take half the size that I originally wanted to. It's a starter size, a feeler size. We'll see if it ends up working out because we're at pretty much on supports on the dailies for Facebook. So and for that reason, we're gonna try working with it a little bit. ISPO broke 100.
Yeah. Is it high of the day?
104 now. The spread is $2. Why didn't I just take the long breakout 56 or something of this halt? Like, why don't I just take that long halt breakout? Yeah. Is anyone even actually in this trade? Tell me one of you viewers is actually in this, please. Tell me at least one of you is holding along from the bottoms. Like, I want to win vicariously through you because this is nutty. What's next? 500? Okay, I don't know, bro. 500 is a little too extra. Oh, you're in it? Okay, we're going to all live through K Jones over here. K Jones rolling in the money, man. Let's go, baby. You're a monster. The fact that you haven't closed this trade still, you're just an absolute monster. You have ISPO at 20. You're another monster. Mr. Formularo coming in with the FMC Classic, the Formularo Classic.
Crazy, it's 600% up.
This
Almost
is sick. 600%. Yeah.
Almost 700. What?
Oh my goodness, what a stock, what a trade, what a day, what a time to be alive. This is a lost for words in every single way, man. Just lost for words.
You have plans on shorting that name tomorrow?
Oh yeah, we're gonna short this thing to zero tomorrow, or at least try to, or we're gonna go to zero tomorrow trying to short it. So we'll see what happens.
There is 0 to 100. This is opposite.
There's 100 to 0. That's right. That is right. Market taking out the lows here, guys. There goes Facebook below 212, which was my support that I wanted to lean on. So that one's going away. We're going to give it up to 211.50. If 211.50 goes, then obviously we're going to take that L and walk away from Facebook. Low is 21.80. 211.80, sorry, is a low a day. For the current time being. AMD should start rocking to the downside even more then because market's trying to take out the low a day there. NASDAQ just created a new low a day. ES still around the same number, but we'll see if that one gets taken out too. And AMD now $1.30 in the money. That means my Roblox would have been absolutely killer. There goes Roblox for another leg down, and we would have been smoking this short. Whatever. ANGH halted up. Again, Insane. So ANGH, I said I would take it if it broke through 26. I did not have an order to take it through 26, and this is what happens. What is it opening at? $28. Well, I should have had my order for the break of 26. Should have just had my order for the break of 26. Now I'm gonna FOMO into it. So because I said I'm gonna FOMO into it, what am I gonna do? Sit on my hands. I'm actually putting my hands under my butt cheeks, and I'm not moving out of there because I don't want to take a trade on this stock. And I know with my emotional mindset that I'm dealing with right now in front of you, you can see it, you can witness it. It's gonna make me FOMO, so I'm not gonna do it. Just sitting on my butt cheeks. Today, my flip short methodology worked both on Facebook and on PayPal. Let's go, baby. Cash, money, moolah. That's what I'm talking about. I got a share of ANGH. Let's go. One share, no matter what, man. You got some size. That's all that matters. Some skin in the game is all that matters. Can't talk about Kathy Wood now when she caught a ripper early like that. Yeah, she's... Disney low a day? Really? I actually had a Disney trade off the open. So let me go check this one out. We're back to support levels on Disney. Let me show you what I'm looking at. Disney. Actually, we're going to let that one go a little bit. We're going to leave it alone for 152 in case it does want to go there because I'm not sure these longs are going to work right now. So we're going to leave Disney alone. Prad, this has got to be killing you. Don't do it. Stay strong, bro. Oh yeah, I'm staying strong. Don't worry. That's why I flip away from the stocks every time they start giving me FOMO. Like I can feel it in my stomach. It's like rumbling feeling. I can feel that I want to be in the trade when I don't have the setup, and that's when I don't take the trade at all, or I try not to. You know, obviously people slip here and there. My best trades are the ones where I have no feelings. Like I just take the trade, I leave it, I let it do its thing, and it does its thing. Either it screws me over or it pays me, and those are my best trades when I absolutely have no feeling about it. Those are the best ones. But when I start having feelings, I start making irrational decisions. Makes sense, right? It makes sense why the people say don't have feelings. I start making irrational decisions, and I don't look for actual things in my setup, like what is the market doing? What is the levels at? Where is this? Where is that? I start just thinking with how much money can I make? How it's going up?
Greedy Pradi.
Sorry?
Greedy Pradi.
Yeah, greedy.
Talking about FOMO, guys, we have a great educational video, avoiding FOMO, plus mind tricks. So I think it will be helpful for everyone to check it out, just maybe how to cure that. So it's on the chat.
Dash apparently didn't break its trend and it's still going up. Yeah, man. Obviously, my best out is 105.80s on Dash. I have no complaints with it. My trade is pretty much over on this stock. Even if it goes above VWAP, my trade's done. I have no more size, and nor am I taking another entry on this. It's a GG's for me. Thank you for the free moolah. Moolah. ISP are going to drop a bit and then maybe up again. I'm waiting for the shark to bite. That is true. Anything is possible. FB only support is now at 210 and 207. Fair enough. We'll see if it does crack this low, which already has cracked, I guess. You know, market's getting ready to go much lower. So 212 is my line that I'm defending right now. But Facebook could go much lower to the downside. We'll see if that low gets taken out a second time there. Piggyback your trades. Who's piggybacking my trades? Got that ANGH money, baby. That's what I'm talking about. We got about 9 minutes left. Welcome back, Valeriia. Prad looks so cheerful now. That's right. It's all because we got this cutie back to my right side. Why is everything up 100% today? Yeah, not everything, but the two main things that everyone's talking about are up 100+%. Insane. Markets will recover a bit by the end of the day. Okay, looks like Stugatz has a crystal ball there. So anyone who keeps asking me questions that involve crystal balls, redirect those questions to Stugatz because he's got a crystal ball over there. CPTN up 84%. My goodness. This one's halting too right now. Let's go check out. Nope. CPTN. Another halter up 84% and halted. What is going on right now, man? Why do we have so many halts today? Insane. What is the up gappers? I don't even think the best up gapper is a 20% up gapper. So what's going on with that? Oh, that's because they gapped up. Is there anywhere that's a leader? Biggest percentage leaders?
For down or?
For up. Top percentage daily gainers. Well, that didn't work out. Can I undo that? Let's just go back to. Whatever. I kind of screwed that thing up, so I just have to reopen that one next time. So CPTN halted at 17, wants to open at $20 now. Let me just do this quick because my OCD is not going to let me deal with it until I do it. Thank you. And then new single stock window.
I believe, tell me if it's correct, on icon you can see like most active volume and here top performers.
Yeah.
And here like, but I don't see.
Yeah, that's right.
And bottom performers.
Yeah.
Fastly.
That's the one I'm looking for.
Yeah.
Perfect.
But
so
ISPO,
the top one obviously.
ANGH.
ANGH.
ZMVV.
ZNVV?
ZIMVV.
ZIMVV, huh.
And then goes NRGV.
Yeah, so there we go. Thank you, Miss V. And that's the icon terminal, guys, that she was using. That's what she uses to get the heat map, maybe?
A heat map.
And news.
Yes.
What else?
Heat
map.
Like free float, short interest.
Do we have a referral link for that?
I can send the link.
No, do we have a referral link?
Referral link?
Yeah,
it's
no. Like if they use our link, like no, we don't have a link or anything.
We don't.
Okay,
but we should. I
we
guess.
should. Yeah, we should. We'll see if we can come up with a referral link for that, and obviously helps us out. Maybe if we even have a referral link, because obviously we never thought about it until today. What is the setup with the futures that the robot guy was talking about?
Arun Decatur?
Arun Decatur, yeah. Obviously, I don't know his setup. I don't trade his setup. He's a different human than me, and his setups are different than I. I'm learning how to trade like he taught me a little bit for momentum trading, but I don't trade futures, so I can't tell you what his setup is, and you can't ask him either because he doesn't have social media. So that's just the downside that you're going to have to live with. Welcome to Arun.
This is a trap.
Yeah, it's a trap. Let's go check out what ISPO is doing. We got another 5 minutes left. ISPO did go as high as 108, and now it's on the way to the downside, $93, $92. Let's see where we find support on the way down. Obviously, man, VWAP's at $56 for this dumb stock. Like, what are we doing in this market? What are we actually doing in this market? Somebody answer that to me. What is the short interest for PayPal? Shouldn't be too high. PayPal, yeah, 1.14%, not too high. Bet $1 it does not go below for what? I'm not sure what you're talking about. Wow, halted on the down move now for ISPO. Halted at 87.50 and it's opening at $77. Well, he's not listening to me, so I'll just leave it alone. ISPO, man, halting down and now getting ready for a destruction. Get ready. Here we go. Down move halts. So at least 3 down move halts I'm going to predict over here. We'll see where if we actually do get 3 down halts on this or not. It's just something I'm predicting. It's just something that I've seen before work out that way.
Brad, we have a poll on the firm. So firm is now still at $38. It's trying hard. We have 568 people voted. Still majority thinks it will get below $36 by the end of today. And then 38% think it won't. Looks like it tries to hold at $38, $37 strong. And real quick, while we're here, we have a super chat from Afura Khan Emporium. Thank you so much. And if you want to send us a message, drop it on the chat. I'll bring it up as we have just 4 minutes left until Brandon, Sean, and Neil will take it over.
Indeed. I don't know what to even look at right now. I'm pretty bored, honestly. Facebook was 20 cents in the money. Facebook back again out of the money, but that 212 level should hold. Weak break of 212 if you ask me. Still leaning on that level. Let's just continue leaning on that market. It's not really going much far to the downside, which is good. Tesla 880, nothing special, says one of my friends. Let's go check out Tesla 880. I mean, I already saw that the level of Tesla 880 was not something interesting for me because I'm waiting for 850. So I'm just going to leave that one alone too. If 850 comes into play, we'll deal with it. Obviously, I'm bouncing up and down because of two things. My stomach's rumbling because I'm hungry, and two, I have to pee one more time. So because of two things. We got 3 more minutes, so I'll bear with it.
And real quick, like for the lunch prep, we're gonna have pork schnitzel sandwiches with steakhouse potatoes. Pork schnitzel sandwich.
Okay.
By the way, we were talking about top performers, but at the bottom we have that AMPL. It's down 54% today. What a crazy drop to the downside.
What the heck is a pork schnitzel?
You never ate schnitzel?
I've heard the word before. I don't know what it is.
Yeah, that's exactly what you see now.
It's a pork cutlet.
Kind of covered like in
like
those
a breaded
things.
panko.
Yeah.
Panko. Okay.
But I assume they're gonna put it inside of the burger.
Yeah. The buns they use there is not even like the good one. The yucky buns too. Whatever. Ooh, 6 new followers today. 1 new message. Well, we don't have to look at that message live. What am I doing? I'm an idiot. Go follow me. Go hit the follow button, guys. You know, I'm only at 2,000. Yeah, I almost.
Let's go through your DMs.
Yeah, I almost doxed my DMs over there. I'm an idiot. But yeah, guys, go hit the follow button. Go check out Trader TV Prad. I'm gonna start doing these over here. So if you guys are interested in how my trades go at the end of the day, I'll just explain to you what these are real quick. Anytime you see a green circle, it means I went long. And anytime you see a yellow circle, it means I went short. And obviously the red triangles are covers, and the orange or yellow triangles are basically the short entries. And yeah, go follow that. Oh, look at this. This is J-Pow yesterday coming to the rescue. J-Pow to the rescue, and Sean called it. Sean said he's going to rally the market, and Papa Powell, boy, did he rally the market.
Stop console.
Hey, man, let's not go there, okay? Listen, he rallied the market. That's the only thing we're going to look at it, okay?
Stop Console War says I should name my dog Burger.
Sorry?
Stop Console War says I should name my dog Burger.
Name your dog Burger? No.
Burger or Booger?
No.
You choose.
No, he's going to be a cute little multipool. You're not going to ruin him with a stupid name. You're gonna pick a good one. I know you. I trust you. And if you pick a bad name, I will tell you right away.
You will remind me every day,
I will tell you
right?
every day that's a bad name.
Your dog's name Coco?
I didn't pick it. Listen, I didn't pick my dog's name. Do you think I was my option to name my dog something that kills it?
Coco.
Chocolate. Coco's chocolate.
Oh.
Chocolate's poison to dogs.
Yeah.
You think I'm gonna
true.
name my dog something that's gonna kill it? No, that's not my fault. My sister-in-law named him. Okay? Now I have no fault but to accept it and love him.
Schnitzel is a good name too.
Wiener Schnitzel.
Anyways, 1 minute left until the end of the show. Guys, thank you so much for spending this 3 hours with us. You're the best. I wish you the luck for the rest 2 hours of trading day. Again, it's not over, so many more opportunities for you to make more money.
Hey, yo, peace out, homie. Come back tomorrow. Is today Thursday, Friday?
Thursday.
So come back tomorrow to wrap up the week with the beautiful Miss V and I. Miss V?
Paka paka.
Hey guys, thanks. 2 o'clock. That means 2 hours to go in the trading session. What a day it's been. Back to the downside here. Very headline-driven market continues into afternoon trading here. We're back to basically session lows. 1.43 there for the S&P leading the way. The NASDAQ, I should say, leading the way, 2%. But 1.43 session lows for the S&P. 1.2 for the Dow. The TSX here in Toronto, 0.4. Yeah, pretty ugly right across the entire board. It's been back and forth all day for crude oil. We were positive at one point, now down. 2.3, 6 and 7% for Bitcoin and Ethereum. One of those days. Yeah, pretty ugly board here to show you this afternoon. I wanted to point out communication services 2 days in a row here for Viacom, or Paramount, as they are now known. 19.5%. Remember, earnings were terrible. They changed their name to Paramount yesterday, down